want to start streaming? Yes.
Hey, Kurt, Richard, hey.
Start stream. Okay, we're good. We are live. Now I'm just gonna tweet out the stream everywhere. I'm gonna tweet it out everywhere. On Facebook, on Twitter, on Discord. I never had a reply from Cheer whether he wants to join us. I spoke to him yesterday, but he never got back to me. And Nikki wasn't able to set it up. Alright, so that's gone. Alright, so welcome everybody. Welcome. There's Indigo, first to talk and first to like. And Flarewolf is here. And I am there as well. Midna, hello, and Undertale. Hello, wow. It's already a party here. Hold on, let me just skip this real quick. And with me I've got Ari Talk. Resident Evil Talk, actually. He's also streaming it, so if you want to check out his point of view, you can go to his stream as well. Hey, Jazz, welcome! And you can say hello to him as well. So, what we're gonna do... What the heck? I think my controller goes idle. I have to plug it out and plug it back in every single time. There we go. So, network play. And next... Are you in the lobby? Have you logged in?
I'm not logged in yet, no. It's loading.
Alright, so we load the net file. Yes. Hey, Julian, hello! I hope you're doing great too. I am doing great. I'm playing video games. What more can I ask? I'm ready for the next battle, says Midna. Hey, Toby's here. Welcome. Yes, I'm hoping that maybe tomorrow I'll do a Pokemon stream. Maybe tomorrow I'll do a long Pokemon stream, like a 6-hour one. So, previous connection. Next.
Oh wow, they put a like a Santa.
I noticed. Yes, there's like a Santa hat. Yes, yes, I noticed over the O of B or O of Outbreak, something like that. You know when you get like Biohazard and you get like initializing connection and you get like that loading bar?
Yeah.
Yeah, I used to get that loading bar and then it stops at 24%. And then I get an error in Japanese. But it used to stop at 24%. And while the bar was moving up, I used to pray like, please keep going up, and then it stops. Like, no! And I used to tell everyone else, like, do you have that same issue? And they were like, no. Alright, so signed in as VloggyBuddy.
I don't understand when I sign in, it wants me to have like this ID thing. I don't understand this at all.
So when you sign in, you are allowed like 3 usernames basically. Like when you enter the lobby now, it will ask you like, what username would you like? You're allowed to have 3 usernames, 3 kinds of profiles basically, with every account. So yeah, how are you, Nikki?
I guess.
Nikki is here. Welcome, Nikki.
So I'll pick the first one.
Vloggy, will I be able to get those 3 Pokemon tomorrow? Which Pokemon, Indigo? Which Pokemon? I'm gonna have to rename you on YouTube as well, by the way. There you go. You see, I got like 3 IDs. I only set up one. I only care about 1 username really, but I have 2 unregistered. I can create two other profiles basically, 2 other usernames.
It's on my end, so
I only created 1. I've got Vloggy because it doesn't fit VloggyBuddy. So
it's only Japanese.
Yeah,
everything else is not, but
yeah, the game is translated, but there are some areas that they haven't translated. So if you logged in now, you have to go on free mode. Have you made it that far?
Free mode, yep.
Free mode. Okay, I'm gonna create a room real quick now. You see, because you are rusty in this game, it's your first time playing online in a very long time, and I thought maybe we'll start from file 1 and we start the very first scenario. You know.
That sounds good.
Alright, so what you're gonna do is you go to area 1, and I'm going to create a room real quick. Alright, so room title I'm gonna call it, I don't know, Vloggy or something. Come on. Password's gonna be, if anybody is watching and they want to join us, password's gonna be ABC123. Up to 4 players. Wait, we're gonna go on easy, alright? Friendly fire, outbreak, Kevin, finish. So the room is ready. Just look for a room called Vloggy in area 1, and the password's ABC123. If anybody wants to join in chat, they're welcome to. If anybody wants to.
Everything's in Japanese. Can I just use my keyboard?
Hold on. Yeah, you're right. But on the left-hand side of the keyboard, hold on. Where's the chat? There should be like a little chat thing. Where is it? How do you chat? I forgot.
Just like
speaker list, keyboard help.
I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, on the left-hand side, there's a button that turns everything into an actual alphabet. The one we're familiar with.
3.
Jazz is asking me about Obscure. I was actually just thinking about it today. Yes, I'm definitely going to be playing Obscure. There's no way I bought those games and I'm not going to play them. Hey, Angelo, welcome. How are you? Long time no see. It's nice to see you.
And the problem is the enter button. I don't know.
Start. The enter button is start. Like once
when I hit start.
When you hit start.
Delete.
When you hit start, it should like exit out of the keyboard and it should just put the password there. It should.
It's like deleting the last 2 parts of the password. And why? Yeah, the last 2 parts of the password are in yellow. I'm very confused.
I should be watching your stream, but the thing is, I'm afraid I'll do a number on my bandwidth. Hold on, let me see if I can... Let me check real quick. Let me see where you're at. Maybe I can guide you. Do you have low latency on, so I don't wait like 20 seconds?
I have... Yeah, I think I have the low latency. Not the ultra low, but the low, yeah.
There we go. Alright, ABC123, yeah, that should be it. Hold on, just look at my password. Please enter the password, and you just need to press start now. That's very strange, though. ABC123. Yeah, you're right. That's what you should be doing. It's not working still. You know what I'll do? I'll just create another room without a password, then if it's gonna... I noticed them becoming yellow, the last 2. I don't know why, though. I can see them. Are you still there? You went quiet. You went very quiet. Are you still online? Am I talking to myself?
And did another button that I mapped wrong or something.
Probably. Would you like me to remove the password just to make it easier? Let me just remove the password to make things easier. I'm gonna have to exit your stream because...
Is that a possibility?
What?
Password?
Yeah, I'll remove the password. I'll create another room. Don't worry.
Okie doke.
And I'll just set it up without the password. VloggyBuddy, Resident Evil 2 Remake is coming out next year. We don't know that. We don't know that. I wish. I wanted to come out yesterday. Oh, come on. What am I doing?
Oh wait, is that...
I'm creating a password without a room without a password, so you can just join right away. Easy. Let's just do it 2 players then. Finish. Okay, the room is ready.
Okay.
So no password, just go in now, and I'll see you.
And enter. Yep, we're in there now.
Nice. I see you there. Start game. All right, I'm gonna leave the cutscenes
Right,
on because we haven't seen them in a while. Maybe people haven't seen them on stream, so.
Problem.
What's your username? Doesn't say.
Japanese symbol. I have no idea.
Hey, Kurt. Okay, no
I
problem.
didn't know how to toggle it. Yeah.
Hey, big boss. Welcome.
I'm gonna join.
The cutscenes look terrible, but the gameplay looks gorgeous.
Yeah.
There was a disruption earlier at today's football match between the Raccoon Sharks.
I love this game so much. This game is so underrated.
I have someone in my chat that said they could join
Yeah, they can join us afterwards. So let's just do this now,
Yeah.
since we started.
Hard enough to get this one started. So.
Aren't you eating anything?
Aren't you eating anything?
Hey, Bob, where's your mind at?
Where's your mind at? I love this. Ooh, what a drunk customer. He looks drunk. Sorry, man. No more booze for you.
It looks like he has a whole denim look going.
Yeah. We used to call this guy Amy's boyfriend.
What a weird customer.
Who is this guy? Damn it!
I might try to save Bob. I don't know.
It's up to you. I mean, I'm not gonna. It's up to you. I'm gonna look out for number one.
Not my friend.
Me.
He's not my friend.
Do it, sir.
I'll save Bob.
Alright, now I have a tendency of panicking in this game. Like, oh, quickly, over here, follow me. I'm gonna be like that. Oh, man.
A couple months ago, so.
Could you play Theme Hospital? I don't think I'll ever play that game, Jazz, no. I don't think so. That's a PS1 game, isn't it? Alright, there's a gun over here if you want the gun, but I'm not gonna pick it up because look at you holding Bob. Oh, that's so sweet. Bros for life. I'm gonna unlock the door right away. Let's go. Look, the game looks gorgeous. Alright, you can bring Bob if you want. I'm unlocking the door right now.
Alright. Oh, shh. Can't pick Bob up.
I went through the door.
Leaving, no. Ah, the door. Front of the door. He should follow.
Oh, there's Bob, yes. Bob is your responsibility. I'm not gonna...
Already came to the door. Okay.
Watch out, watch out.
Or do you have a patch to get rid of load times?
Actually, the load times have really improved. I don't know if it's because of the game. Maybe it's been patched already for improved load times. I don't know if it's the emulator, but the load times compared to the PS2 version. There's a green herb as soon as you go up the stairs. I'm gonna leave that for you.
I was just about to say, you took the first one.
Yeah,
I see the second one. I see the second one.
I took the one that was in a dangerous spot. The one next to the zombie window. So I took the dangerous one. So I don't put you in danger.
No. Pull you right through, right? I can't remember how I got my Outbreak to look this way, to look at HD. I don't think I patched it at all to make it HD looking.
To be honest with you, I looked at a few tutorials how to make the game look gorgeous, like how to improve the settings on. Hold on, I think there's a zombie here. I hear a zombie. Watch it. Come over here. I'm over here. I'm gonna barricade the door. Come over here.
Okay.
Come in. Forget Bob.
Oh.
Forget Bob.
There's ammo on the. Uh-oh.
Whoops.
Oh no.
What?
Wasn't on the door on the side of. Let me see. Let's see.
Were you? You were on my side when I stapled the door together. I don't know if. No, don't tell me you were on the other side. No. Good. All right, now we need to open this door. What?
Nope. I'm on the other side.
I just saw you on my side for a second. What the heck?
Alright, I gotta bust through this.
Yes, do it. Sorry about that. But you were totally on my side when I closed it off.
Yeah, I saw some ammo in the hallway, so I was just about going back.
I'm trying to open this door real quick.
Let's see. Oh my god, it's not going.
No, it will. Keep going. I'm just gonna keep taking care of this door. I locked you outside. I'm sorry. You get there.
They're coming. Oh my god.
Yeah. If you can help me with this door, then. Come on.
The key is I'll get the key.
Don't worry about the key. I think I'm almost done here. I think. If you could just. Okay.
Do you, sir?
I thought the key was far away. Good one.
It was on the table.
Oh man. Look at you carrying Bob. You're a good friend. Alright, I'm gonna get the forklift key real quick from here.
Oh no, Bob's following you in. Damn it, Bob. Damn it.
Ah, Bob is such a liability. Alright, so, where's the key? Where's the... There, I got the key. I got the power. Oh, a zombie followed us as well. Careful.
Ah. Ass kick, saving Bob.
It says that my stream status is bad. I don't know why. You guys watching? Is my stream bad? Stupid YouTube. I still haven't equipped my gun yet. That's how good we are. How are you gonna get Bob up the ladder then?
You have to open up the gate.
Oh, from the other side.
Ivan, how you doing?
Wow, that's a lot of pants, big boss. It's fine for you, Nikki. Thank you so much for the feedback.
Man, I'm gonna get my ass kicked.
So are you going up the ladder as well?
Open up the gate on the other side.
Ah, because you have to get Bob. Alright, alright. I'm coming. I'm gonna get the gate real quick. I've never done this before, actually. I'm gonna do this for the first time. So how do I open the gate? Like this? Did I just do that?
I hear it, so
Yeah.
it's pretty tense on my end. I don't know why I opted to save them, but
I opened the gate, I
the
think.
gate now.
Is it open? Is it open? Do you see it? Open. Okay,
I'm
there you
going
are.
through
There's
now.
Bob. Okay, good. Let's go. Bob. Oh, Juan, welcome. Is this stream pants? To be honest with you, right now I am wearing pants. Sorry to disappoint, but I am wearing pants.
Bob didn't go through.
No, I got Bob. I got Bob. Sorry if I'm yelling. I got Bob. He's up the stairs already.
Just went back in.
No!
Okay, you keep going.
All right, come on, Bob. Let's go. Yeah, I took care of Bob.
After saying like, I'm not gonna.
Look, his streams are the funniest because he's always become. It always makes the stream interesting. The problem is sometimes I can't understand him. Don't worry, Jazz. Sometimes not even my mom can understand me.
Eat spray.
Sometimes not even my mom can understand me because I speak so fast. Oh, come on, stupid crows. I'm sorry, I can't waste time with Bob. This is gonna take forever for me to carry Bob.
Yeah, just leave him there.
I'm just gonna leave him there. Bye, have a great time, Bob.
I'm coming up.
Now he decides to follow. Alright, I saw you coming out, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna unlock the door real quick. Quickly now, quickly! Alright, there we go. I went inside the little shack room thing. Vloggy doesn't have a thick accent though. Because the thing is, I don't even have an actual Maltese accent. No, the actual Maltese accent. What's going on?
Can't move anymore. I know me, and
Never seen this before.
I'm not gonna be someone else's burden. Bob, stop! No, you don't understand, Mark. I'm no different from them. I feel the hunger.
I've never seen this before.
So please let me die while my conscience remains.
What?
You guys do that for no reason.
Did we fail or something though?
Bob!
Did you say?
Did we fail?
Yeah, he just kills himself.
So you can never save Bob actually.
No, you just get like that cutscene, I guess. That's
Alright. I thought you could fight. I thought you could save Bob.
fun.
Alright, that's weird. I've never seen that cutscene before because I never cared about Bob. So yeah, I was talking about the accent that I don't have, the Maltese accent. I don't have it. Bob died. Rip Bob. Bob's Burgers. Alright, I'm coming out. I have an extra first aid spray if you want.
Where are you?
I'm just coming out of the little shack room thing.
Oh, okay.
Oh, you're pushing that. Alright. Let me just help. Oh, you're done. Okay, let's go. Hup.
Oh, there's people screaming in the background.
Yeah, it's quite the atmosphere, eh? Vloggy, how many languages do you speak? Well, fluently. I mean, fluently I speak English, Maltese, and Italian. I can speak those fluently. Then I can understand and speak some broken French.
If you do not leave the area in time, we cannot.
And then I can
I
understand.
speak some very broken
And I can understand Arabic. I can understand it, and I can understand like half of it, and then assume the rest. And I can speak half Arabic, and they have to assume the rest. All right, let's go. Let's go, 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 go.
The crows! Oh no!
I'm gonna jump, and then I'll grab you from the other side.
Yeah.
Help me, please!
Please help!
Help me, please! No! I thought the crow was gonna attack me. Okay, I got this. I got this. I got this. All right, you go now. Oh, you did it! Wow, you're a boss. I still haven't equipped my gun yet. I'm so good. I thought you could also speak Spanish. I can understand Spanish. It's very similar to Italian, in my opinion. But I cannot speak it. There's
Yeah, a zombie I think comes through.
Do you want the blue herb? Oh, they're there. I'm gonna grab it just in case, and then I'll give it to you if you want.
You can take it, yeah.
I'll just open. Alright.
Hey, Bruno.
I'm not gonna pick up a blue herb. I don't need blue herb. There's a green one if you want as well. Pick it up if you want.
Oh, sweet.
Watch out, watch out. There's two zombies. Careful, careful, careful.
Oops.
I managed to dodge both of them. Yeah, as I was saying, the loading times have really improved. If you compare them to the PlayStation 2, you know, using a disc takes so much longer. It's annoying. It's not that long on the emulator.
You startled me. I'm surprised you're still alive. The whole city's a war zone.
For real.
We need all the help we can get. Now, move the police car over there to build a barricade. Go!
You know, I think Spanish is a romantic language. I think I agree. Yeah, not many people think that though. I think it is, but I don't know. Maybe because I dated a Spanish girls, and you know, whenever I hear Spanish, it reminds me of her. Certain accents though remind me of her, and I think it's I don't know. So I'm pushing the cars, but 3 zombies got through. Help me please! Ooh, wow.
I'm finally making my way out. Glad we did.
I thought you were out. I was like, why isn't he helping me? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
What am I doing?
I'm pushing the car now. Uh-oh, there's a zombie right behind me. Careful.
Oh, push it, or...
Yeah, I think if you help me push it, it's faster. Look. Wow. We're almost there, we're almost there. Ooh, he shot the zombies. Nice. Nice. The cop is amazing. Look at my cop. My cop is amazing. Look, the police car door opened. There might be a shotgun in there, I think. I wouldn't suggest you go there. No, don't go there. I don't think...
Yeah, don't you have to do both cars?
I did both cars already. I did the other ones already.
You did the far one, okay.
Yes. Now we just waste some time here. So YouTube Rewind was good. I don't want to watch YouTube Rewind. I don't care about YouTube Rewind.
Up on my screen.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
My god.
I haven't shot a single bullet yet with the gun.
We're gonna do another game, I guess, with 4 players, so... I know Max asked to get to come to next game. So.
Yes, sure. We can, if you want, we can go again with Outbreak, or we can play the second scenario, the freezing point, where we visit the RE2 labs. We can do whatever you want.
Like, yeah. You know, the labs and stuff. Sure. This is just time?
Yeah, it is a timed event. We just have to wait. We have to wait. It's not that bad here because we're playing on easy, so it's not that bad. But if it was on hard, we would be having a hard time right now because the zombies wouldn't just fall down, and he shoots his shotgun less frequently.
True. Yeah.
At least he's defending us. We're not doing anything. We made it to this. We made it this far, and I still haven't shot a single bullet yet because we're playing on easy. But yeah, if anybody in chat, your chat, my chat, wants to join the next round, we can go again. I don't mind playing the same round again. That's fine. But yeah, I remember buying this game. I remember buying this game just because there were Resident Evil 2 locations. And Resident Evil 3 locations as well. Yeah, when I saw the labs, I had a nerdgasm, like, the Umbrella Labs! And then there was like, they were very smart about it. There were like new areas that we haven't explored in RE2. You know, if you crawl through certain vents, you know, you get to new places.
Yeah. I thought that was so creative, you know.
Yes, yes it was. Yes it was. And they did the same thing even with the police station as well. They did the same thing with the police station. You visit some areas that you haven't in RE2. That was so smart. And they could do the same thing in RE2 Remake if they're smart. I wonder.
The part in the garage.
The garage. You lift up those, the barricades, yeah, and you can go through.
Tunnel, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't go far, but it's like, you wondered when you played RE2 back in the day. You
could never raise that shutter. Exactly, you could never go any further. So to me, that's a new area, you know. And even the fact that you could crawl through that little hole outside where you meet Brad Vickers. Outside where you crawl through the hole and you end up in the garage.
We're getting closer.
That was very smart as well.
Now.
Yeah. Here we go. I don't think we have the poisonous.
Not here, no.
Monsters.
Not here, no. On hard. On hard. This is easy. This is just zombies crawling through. Alright, do you need an herb? You seem to be okay. I'm gonna pick it up then.
Do you pick it up?
I'll pick it up. If you need it, I combined it with the red one. Now, if you can dodge these zombies, if you can dodge them, just run around, you know? It's better than just standing there and shoot them. In the meantime, it's a timed event again, so we just have to wait some time until...
Shoot the door too?
If you want. Usually I just run around.
Okay, you just run around.
Yeah. So I'm not really looking into chat. But yeah, going back to Indigo's comment about YouTube Rewind. I don't really care about YouTube Rewind. It's like, here's a bunch of YouTube celebrities. Let's make them more popular again with another video. I don't like it. You should hang out back here, where I am. It's more chill.
There's so many zombies.
Come over here. But the thing is, they might attack him, and he might take longer to open the door for us, though, if we're not.
See, that's the thing online. It's like the zombies will like jump.
Yes, yes. Sometimes they teleport the zombies as well.
Like you'll think they're far away, and they're like right on top of you.
Yeah. One funny thing that happens online as well here is sometimes you get invisible zombies. Zombies that only you can see. Like, you get bit by a zombie, and I cannot see anything. But I think their servers have improved. Alright, do you wanna go for the lighter and I'll go open the valve?
Yeah, I can do the lighter, yeah.
You get the lighter, I'll open the valve. And there's a shotgun as well if you want to grab it as well.
Leak the gas and use it to burn these bastards.
Be okay, yeah.
Do it now!
The only other enemies are just some zombies in the streets, I think.
This is all about zombies. This is just zombies. Every scenario introduces a different kind of enemy. This one is just zombies. The next one is hunters. And the one after that is all about
they're all
the
kind of
leech.
themed.
Yes. Okay, so you get the lighter. I'm gonna go open the thing. If you need any help, I'll be back. That's me.
I think I just picked up the lighter before the cutscene.
You need to run towards the fuel tank thing.
Yeah.
use it.
I don't want to blow myself up or whatever.
No, I would just say it's too dangerous to use it actually if you try. Watch
Oh,
out,
would
watch
it?
out.
Oh,
Are you on
okay.
your way? Are you okay? Are you getting bit? I think you are. Hold on.
Bleeding.
You need help?
Please help!
Yes.
Oh, my gun is empty. What the heck? All right, this clip doesn't work. Oh no, dude. Ah! Come on, let's go. Oh my goodness. You go. You go. Don't worry about me.
Stay with yourself.
Go.
You should be good.
Just do the lighter thing. Oh no.
I thought I picked it up.
You didn't?
I didn't pick it up.
Oh no! I thought you did!
Scene must have not allowed it.
Alright. Don't worry.
got it now.
I got them occupied. Come over here. Come follow me this way. Come on, zombies. This way. Alright. Come on, do the lighter thing. Do the lighter dance. You okay, buddy?
Freaking zombies. There we go.
Okay, you did it. Good. Whew.
Relentless.
Queen of Troll and the Gamer. Like the real one. Go fight the virus, then get inside the body. Welcome to the stream, Queen. Ah, this is such a satisfying cutscene.
After the hassle we've had, you know.
Yeah. Alright, jump down the canal. Like this. Schluff. jump into the sewage water. Sorry, Jazz. What did you say? Vloggy Malta bye to Spain. Khakis. Sorry, I didn't understand the sentence actually. I'm in my work. Always see different countries. I didn't understand the question, Jazz. I'm sorry. Very sorry.
I really like the length of these scenarios, you know? Like,
actually, they get longer and longer as you progress. This is a very short one. We're almost done.
yeah.
This is a very short one. The next one is kind of longer, and they keep getting the last one. I think the last one's called Decisions.
Decisions is really long.
Yeah,
It's like
yeah, that is a very long one.
over an hour, hour and a half.
I
don't
love
even
that
know.
scenario, huh? I
There
love
are
that.
herbs down here.
Yeah, there's a green one over there. You go get it.
You go.
Normally he doesn't talk during the cutscene. No, I don't usually talk during the cutscenes. No, I try to make an effort. But what if I have company? I need to be quiet. I can't even keep my mouth shut, really. I talk too much. Kaki. It's an orange fruit. Never heard of it. Kaki. Is it kaki? K-A-K-I? Is that? Yeah, that's right.
Blue one here.
Help!
How do you say your name?
Mark!
There we go.
Mark! Kevin!
There we go.
Kevin! Mark! Help me! Help me, please!
Help me, please! I love that. Help me, please. Have you ever played, I'm sure you have, Resident Evil... The Dark Side Chronicles?
I haven't played it. I think I played a little bit last year, but nothing.
You ever visit these areas, these outbreak areas? It's really interesting.
In the first Chronicles, yeah.
Yeah, you revisit the areas in front of Apple and you actually see the jeans zombie that we saw earlier, the denim jacket zombie. You see the same one. Amy's boyfriend, basically.
Oh.
Alright, so,
yeah, this on the file 2 scenario. To the road, I think.
is it? I don't know.
Come back. Yeah, you come back to this same area, and this part to the right actually does open up to a new area in file 2.
Oh yes, Queen, I know that. Yes, Queen. Let me just tell let me just tell him as well. Did you know that you can also stop the virus temporarily if you consume an herb or something?
This is the Raccoon City Police Department.
Yeah, you can
Please
pause
try
it
to stay
temporarily.
calm. Vehicles are standing by to commence evacuation. We need everyone here as quickly as possible.
Yeah, because the other day I was in the RPD scenario, and you know the nerve gas activates the virus.
That's it then?
Yes.
Get in, please.
This is the best evacuation ever. I love it. We're like, we're saved. He's gonna get us out of the city.
The highway is too
It
dangerous.
just brings us right to the heart.
Yeah, he's like, there's 2 wooden barricades.
Another barricade. As you can see, there are too many roadblocks. I'm afraid you'll have to get out and continue
Tiny
on
little
Some
fences,
rescue operation. There's a barricade. Get out and continue on foot. He just took us around the block. Alright, we're out. Okay, there's a bunch of weapons here, so if you want, help yourself. Oh, I'm gonna help myself with a shotgun.
Magnum here.
Yeah, I can have it. You can have it. I know where there's another one later in the game.
A herb or a 8 spray.
Actually, I'm gonna be okay. If you find some Magnum rounds, is this Magnum rounds over here? What are these? No.
Oh.
Actually, I think I can use these. Hold on. Combine. Yes. There we go. Did you pick up a shotgun? Pick up a shotgun? There's a bunch of shotgun shells if you want as well.
Got a shotgun, a magnum, and 2 heals.
Alright, you're good. I know where there's another shotgun.
Fortunately,
Sorry, I know where there's another magnum over here, so I'm gonna have this one. Over here. There we go. I think I'm set. There's a sweet herbage over here if you want it as well.
build up, I think. I'm on fine, and I have 2 herbs here.
I'm on fine, and I have a combined red and green herb, plus a first aid spray, so we're gonna be okay.
Same me. Oh.
Yes, Jazz, I saw that Funko Pop, yes. I saw that Funko Pop, it's adorable. Some Funko Pops look really good, but some of them look so bad, you can't even tell who the character is. Oh. So I'm very careful when I buy my Funko Pops. God. Like, I'm a big fan of Rick and Morty. Rick looks really good as a Funko Pop, but Morty looks hideous. Queen. Queen is like, remember, there's no merchant here, so use your weapons wisely.
Well, hopefully
this
we'll
is
get it.
This is the cowardice policeman that I've never seen. Look. What do I do?
And he shows up at the RPG.
Yeah, I know. He's such a chicken.
What's his name? Edward or...
I don't know.
He's gonna go for the detonator.
I can go, no problem. You just keep him occupied and I'll go.
I'll try to get him on the back.
Yeah, some Funkos can get really expensive. So I was at this place. I went to pick up a game. And he had like this whole display of Funko Pops. And I'm like, whoa, so many Funko Pops. I'm like, must resist. I'm only here to pick up a game. I was already gonna spend like 50 euros on a game. And I'm like, I'm not gonna. And then on the display there was a Hunter Funko Pop. I'm like, oh, the Hunter from Resident Evil. And I'd ask him, how much is it? He goes, it's 35 euros. I'm like, oh, 35 euros for a Funko Pop? That's expensive. He's like, because it's a bigger one. He's like, it's one of the big ones. I'm like, really? It looks the same size. And then he actually handed it over to me. I'm like, oh, it is really big and very heavy. and I bought it. Now I'm a proud owner of a Hunter. Alright, so I got this one. Run! Help me, please! I should have equipped my gun. Why did I not equip my gun? Alright, I got the first part. I'm gonna get the second one. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, I see it. I'm coming.
The middle or something.
Going forward. Yeah, it's over here. Quickly now. Quickly. I'm combining it real quick. Alright, I got it. Now I just need to use it. Hold on, I just need to go to the middle now. There he is. In 3, 2, 1. And we got this. Even this one is satisfying.
Satisfying, yeah.
You know what I like in Outbreak? I don't know if it's file 2 or file 1. There's an ending scene where you get to see Raccoon City being destroyed, but not the way we saw it in RE3. It's a different scene, and it looks so good. You see the city getting blown up.
There's like several bombs that blow up the city. I just need a like 2-minute break if that's okay.
Yeah, sure. Take your time. I'll set up another room in the meantime.
All right, cool. And we should have Max coming up.
Everything started to go wrong.
Max in the chat, if you had said.
No. Maybe we just didn't realize things had been going wrong for a long time. Dead people wander the city in search of the living. When that becomes normal, I know that it's time to just give up.
Yesterday, just before dawn, the Pentagon announced that radioactive waste has been leaked throughout Raccoon City. In accordance with U.S. safety regulations, the city has been placed under quarantine, and the Army has been sent in to investigate and control the situation.
Okay, so Max can play, but he doesn't have a mic.
That's okay. That's fine.
Cool with that, because we can work around that. That's fine. All right, I will be back in a couple minutes.
Sure.
Okay.
Take your time. In the meantime, I'm gonna hang out with chat. How many points did we
For
get?
the first gameplay, I'll be right back. There, thank you.
We got a B rank. That's good. But then again, it's on easy, so. 2 survivors. And it says 29%. That's funny. We finished the game, but it says completion ratio is 29% because you need to pick up certain hidden items in the game. Alright, I'm gonna save. I'm gonna save because I need those points. Yeah, 15 euros is expensive. Net file will be updated. Thank you very much. Complete. Alright, so, exit. I'm gonna create another room. Actually, I shouldn't create the room because everybody will join in then. I'll create when everyone's ready to come in because otherwise I'll get a bunch of strangers. Why to be continued like the Terminator? I know, right? It feels like it. To be continued. Have you ever seen this game, Queen? Room title. I'm gonna call it Tralala.
Okay. Back.
Alright, so the room is ready. I'm not gonna create a password. And so we're gonna be 3 people then? Are we gonna be 3 people?
I haven't heard from Max in the chat yet after he said he wouldn't be able to use mic, so he should be maybe another minute. I don't know.
I'm just gonna set up with. I'm gonna set it up with 3 people then. We're gonna go on easy again. And which scenario are we gonna go for? Are we gonna go again for the same outbreak scenario, or shall we go for the second one, the Umbrella Labs?
Ready. Max just played it the other day, so he should be familiar. I think we could go.
Okay, let's take the second scenario then. Below freezing point.
Yeah.
Alright, finish. I'm always Kevin, by the way. So the room is ready. Alright. So you can just join. By the way, the room is called Tralala.
When I exited, I remember that there was the after you played, so you could talk to people.
Mm-hmm.
Like, I totally forgot about that.
Oh yeah.
Because you can open the game and be like chatting about like, oh my god, this happened or that happened.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yep. So I should be in there. Enter.
Alright, I see another one. So 2 out of 3 players. So Max should be joining then.
Point, I believe, is the second one, is it? Or is it Hellfire? Or is this? If you see on the screen, go to the room. Tra-la-la. It was not a password, I don't think. No.
No password.
Password. It should be just there. In the area 1.
Yeah, that's right. You'd be surprised, Queen, how many people actually haven't seen this game. It's one of the, I'm gonna say, lesser known games. It's not a mainstream game. I wouldn't say it's a mainstream game. Just like Dead Aim.
No. Outbreak got a bad rep from,
because of the bad AI. Okay, I think he's in because I see 3 out of 3 people now.
All that.
Alright, we're gonna go. Start. Let's go. Because back in the day, not many people had internet, let alone a connection right next to their PlayStation. Back then it was wired, so you had to have your PlayStation connection next to your internet, next to your TV. Not many people had that. The game was ahead of its time. So most people played this offline.
I had to buy the network adapter.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
There's no turning back now. But it'll all be worth it.
Kerr, I kind of figure that does kind of make sense. My Japanese username on this is just A.
Oh.
Because that's all. I just put the one symbol in. So.
All right. So I'm assuming Yoko is.
So
I'm assuming Yoko is Max, right?
Yoko is Max.
All right. So we need to open this shutter. I remember when I saw this for the first time, I was like, this must be from the Resident Evil 2 area. Hey, Dada, welcome.
What's wrong with this thing? Stupid piece of junk. Oh, it's losing electric pressure. Screw it. I'll just find another way out of here.
Your scenario.
Man, I love Resident Evil 2 locations. I was so disappointed with when I just realized that there was no RPD in this one. I was like, no! And then the second one, Outbreak File 2, they came up with the police station. This is the closest thing we have to Resident Evil 2 remake.
Monica? I didn't expect you to return. After your little incident, I assumed that you went and hid under a rock like the little child that you are.
What is that capsule?
Wait! Are you after this too? You are, aren't you? Oh, you are so...
Stop it. I don't understand what you're talking about.
Don't play the innocent little girl with me. You can't fool me. You could never fool me. But maybe we can work something out. Give me your ID card. Yoko, you little lifesaver. I'm so glad we had this chance to catch up. Have a nice life. What's left of it.
Hey, Michael, welcome. Yeah, Kurt. So he said the second closest would maybe a little bit from Resident Evil 0 for a RE2 remake.
Because of the factory, I think, hey?
Yeah, marshalling yard, yeah.
Yeah.
You want that? No?
You can have it, we'll find plenty of others later. Yeah, I remember when I played it and I put the Resident Evil 2 music when I went to the marshalling yard. Let's go. Yeah, when I actually played RE0 and I changed them to Leon and Ada instead of Billy and Rebecca, I played as, and when I got to the marshalling yard, I actually put the RE2 music. Now sometimes you get to see this elevator platform thing collapsing, just falling down a little bit. Not everybody sees it. Sometimes one player sees it, the other one doesn't. Let's see. Oh yeah, mine fell. Mine just moved. Did you see it move?
Mine hasn't, no.
You see? It changes. Alright, now we're gonna get separated.
Hey. Alright, I'm going to B7, South Passway, whatever that is.
I'm on B6F now, East Passway.
Above
now we
me.
got separated, okay. Yeah. Jazz, I saw the song. Where's my next cooking stream? That's a very good question. I don't know. I plan on doing more, but... Uh-oh. Zombie, help me, please! Now. Ah! Okay. Alright. We have to find each other now.
Where the large plant and the duct, I'm on that floor.
Yeah, we both get to see the plant actually, because we both get to see the plant. I could be on a lower floor. We'll see. Let me see what I can find.
Of the chemicals for V-Jolt.
Yeah, we're gonna need that. We're gonna need to find the chemicals to create the V-Jolt. So I plan on making another cooking stream, but whoa, watch out, zombie. But I don't know when. It's not gonna be a regular thing for sure.
Just tuning in, we got separated in the lab, so we're kind of now, but
what is this over here? Hold on, what's this? Ah, it's a shotgun. Oh, thank you very much.
Oh man, I had the codes for like a cheat sheet of codes somewhere.
The thing is, the codes change, huh? They are randomly generated.
I had them.
Not randomly generated. They're like 6 passwords and they alternate. So where do I go from here? I need to find the wrench. Somewhere. There should be a wrench on the floor somewhere.
Oh, he's still getting up?
Oh, did I just find the wrench? Yes, I did. Alright, so I found the frozen wrench.
The codes.
Vloggy, how can I pronounce Oh, Jazz. Alright, I don't usually do this because I like to keep my content family friendly, but since bitch also means something else. Well, one of them is bitch and the other one is beach. Jazz wants help how to pronounce the difference between bitch and beach. Sounds similar, I don't want to do a mistake. Well, the first one, bitch, you should refrain from using that.
You swear, Vloggy.
It's not exactly a swear. Get off me, zombie! I mean, it's not exactly a swear word because, you know, the female dog is known as bitch.
Bitch, yeah.
And then there's beach. Beach is the sand and the ocean. Alright, so
Max is dying. I just looked over. That was 2 minutes ago. Max is dying. Whoops, sorry, I didn't see that.
Dirty sink. Alright, I just got the wrench and I defrosted the wrench now.
He's on the ground. Yoko is on the ground, not on my floor.
How do you know? Is he saying that in your chat?
Maybe. Okay, hold on. Let me try to. I think there's a.
I'm about to connect your floor with my floor very, very soon. I'm almost there.
This. Oh, I don't even know what floor I'm on. I think I'm on B7. I think he's in the middle of B7.
Alright, I'm gonna give you instructions now where to go very soon, so we can actually meet.
They're chemical for Vigil. I'm trying to save Max. Of B7, the like circular part of B7. I think of a Yoko. I think. Where is? Oh, there she is. I got her. Or Max.
You got her, him.
Here's a herb, Yoko.
Whoa, 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 whoa! I'm getting surrounded now. This is not good. Oh, nice.
Where? I'm going this way.
Do I keep hearing zombies? They keep coming in. What the heck?
Chemical for Vigil is down here.
Alright, so I just got the valve handle now. I'm opening the area. I keep hearing zombies. God dang it. No, 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 no. Alright, sorry, it's taking forever for me to do this, but I'm getting chased by zombies.
Okay, Max is with me, and we are getting the other chemical.
That's good. Alright, I'm about to meet you guys. I'm about to get on your floor real soon. I'm in the B6F security center. In the map, it looks like a little. Let me see what it looks like on the map. Hold on. Yeah, it's like a hexagon. Actually,
I think I know where you're at.
It's like an octagon actually in the map. But yeah, I'm actually there's a ladder in the middle. I'm opening it right now.
I got Vigils.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, I'm joining you guys real quick. All right, I'm coming down because down is.
Yeah, we're down one of those halls.
I'm coming. We're gonna be on the same floor very soon. There we go. B7X experiment room. B7F experiment room. I can't even read. Help me, please! Indigo. Indigo, you should set this up.
Give Max.
Alright, I heard you guys. I think we're in the same room. Or is it zombies over here? What's this? What do I hear? Yeah, it's zombies. It's not you guys. Oh! Help me! Why so many zombies? God dang it.
Max, those 45 rounds are not going to help me, but...
I really thought... What platform? This is PS2, but we're running it with the PS2 emulator, so... Now I'm in the B7F East Passway. It's where I actually spawn. Oh, I hear you guys.
Okay,
I hear you.
You just walked in. Yeah,
I'm coming. Yeah, it's the PCSX2.
There's like 2 zombies after us.
Yes, Indigo, it's the PCSX2.
Red field, is it?
Alright, so where are you? There you guys are.
We're in the middle area
Yeah, there
again.
you
The
go.
hexagon.
Oh, there's zombies, careful. What are you guys doing now? What's up, Max? You kidding?
Yeah, up here. I need that because I'm like on death's door. Well, not really on death's door, but.
You know what we need? You know what we need? There should be an area with the plants. Can you take me there? Because I need to open it with the valve handle, so I extend the ladder. Which way is that? It's over there.
Come on.
Come on.
I need to extend the ladder with the valve handle. It's next to the plant for sure.
All the way down here.
Max needs to keep up.
Well,
I thought he was gonna carry us. I think you're taking me at the very bottom, though. Oh, I think you're gonna take me at the bottom. No, this is not where the. So you have the V jolt on you. Is it ready? Is it complete?
I have it.
Okay, so we can use it here then, on the plant. So we can go up the vines, up the ladder. So the vines will go away.
The V-jolt now?
Yeah, use it on the plant. And we get a very awkward cutscene.
Yeah.
Look at this. Come on, come on. You saw what I saw? Do you see what I see?
I didn't see.
Alright, now we can go up the ladder. Where's Max?
That will indicate to Max to get over this way.
Alright, okay, let's go up.
An aid spray for a shotgun. That was stupid.
Alright, there's another first aid spray over here. So this is where I was actually. Alright, now, I can use the valve handle over here, I think, and extend the ladder. There we go. Look at this.
I think. Trying to remember down this hallway. There's something on the ground. There's a code.
You think? I don't know. I was just there, to be honest with you, but I didn't do any codes or anything. I just picked up the. I just picked up the wrench, and with the wrench I defrosted it, and then. Oh.
Wrench.
It's frozen.
Come on, come on, come on! It won't move. Why? Oh, give me a break. I don't believe this.
She complains way too much.
Something else I have to fix to get out of here.
It's like, you're a scientist at Umbrella? Like, I don't know why she just doesn't sound. She's like.
She sounds like a spoiled brat. Let's go.
Temperament to be a scientist, and you know.
Hey, Kurt. So, Vloggy, you gonna watch the Game Awards? I don't think I will. No, I don't think I'll watch the Game Awards. All right.
I think I was thinking this store.
Let me just follow you. Let me just follow you. Let's do it. Let's stay together though. Let's stay together.
I will.
I don't really care about the Game Awards, Kurt. I care more about the announcements we're gonna get from Sony in the next couple of days. Oh, we have to go through here. I just don't bother when they're crawling. You just can crawl past them.
I want these handgun bullets though on the ground.
Okay.
Spray. File on the floor. Some codes.
Honestly, when it comes to awards, when it comes to gaming awards, honestly, I believe that. How do I say this? Beauty is in the eye of the beholder. All right. One person thinks One person thinks this game should get the award. Others think that this game should get the award. You know, so, you know... Like, I was watching the top 10...
Oh, right there.
Oh, there's a memo on the floor, yes. It says... But it just says the you know, the guest thing. You know, the guest... the guest password.
In the other hallway, yeah.
Let's see. Let's go. So yeah, I was watching the top 10 nominees for the Game of the Year by IGN, and there wasn't even a single mention of RE7. Come on, it has to be at least the top 10, RE7. They didn't even mention it. Yeah. You know, they mentioned PUBG, you know, Player Unknown. It's a good game, but it's far from finished, that game. It's still...
Yeso, sorry if I mispronounced your name. I did put in the widescreen. I followed those directions.
Now watch out from these, watch out the little maggots, because they shoot stuff. Careful.
Hard.
So what do I do here?
Need a key card.
I don't have any. I don't have a card. Alright, so we have to look around for it. That's as far as we're gonna go. Maybe this guy has something? A civilian? Why would you? You better go now unless you want to be like me. No one seems to have passed out. Alright, so let's go this way then.
Oh, if you are Yoko, he gives you a magnum, I think. Gives you a weapon or something.
Really?
Yeah, with Yoko, he gives you something because he recognizes Yoko. But yeah, I tried to put the widescreen patch on this game. It didn't really work, so I just...
But is your stream running in widescreen? I think it was in full screen. Yeah, your game, your stream.
It's not like the patch makes it look.
I don't know. I think it looks.
So the players aren't so squished.
What is this over here? Shutter is down. What is this over here on the floor? Ah, there's a file. What's this? Oh, there are passwords. Yes, B4, B5F, B4F. I don't know what these are. Bunch of passcodes.
Do we need those codes anymore?
So yeah, the Game Awards are just gonna annoy me really. I don't care. Alright, let's go up then.
Max.
Did my game just die? What the heck? What happened? Oh no.
What happened?
I cannot move my what happened to my controller? It's not working anymore. What the heck? Oh, okay. For a second. No. My controller died. Weird. Alright, I plugged it out and back in and it should be fine.
Please help!
You wanna go up?
Oh, Max says I found so much stuff for you.
Trying to get the... Did he find the key card? I'm trying to get the key card now. Passway of West area. This is gonna be the RE2 area now. The actual RE2 part, I think. Yeah, man.
East area? Or
yeah,
west?
remember this? West. These doors are completely frozen solid or damaged, something like that. Yeah, door's broken, so... Yeah, so this is an accessible D area.
Just reloading.
Yep. I don't think we're gonna need the valve handle anymore, so I'm just gonna leave it here.
That's about right.
Now we need to take down the moth, if we can. If we can take down the moth without getting poisoned, that would be great. There's gonna be a moth here. Where is it? Where is it? I don't see the moth though. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Ah, it's right there.
Oh, there it is. If we can kill it.
Take it down.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Yeah, so I will have to look at that again. Keycard might be out this way.
If we can get it, because it will. Watch out, don't get poisoned. Oh, it just fell down. I saw it dying. Okay, it just fell down. It tripped. It tripped. GG. Because if you don't kill it, I think at certain point you try to go through the final area and the mod just comes and grabs you and takes you back to another faraway place.
It takes you down to that room behind the key card that or the place you register your fingerprint.
There's the key card on the floor. This is what we need, I think. Hold on, there's a card. Lab card key. I got it. Alright. Do you want to go back then?
What else is in here? Is there anything?
Yeah, what's that on the floor? Is that the key?
Well,
is this the key?
I'll take the turntable. Yeah, I've got the turntable key. I guess I could have.
You could just leave it here. Yeah, because this is where we're gonna use it. So let's go. There's a gun on the floor. Is this a shotgun? No. Is it? What is this? Ah, it's just. Never mind. Let's go.
I know you have to. There's a blowtorch. Oh, I know. We do have to register our fingerprint.
Yes.
Then,
yes, we do. I think that's where we get the blowtorch.
Yeah, we get the blowtorch from the fingerprint room upstairs. Then you have to thaw it out. Yeah. You have to do a lot of backtracking.
What's over here? We don't need to go there actually. Just go this way for now.
Did we already type in the codes? He asks. Oh, we didn't type in any codes.
Not yet, at least. We don't need to type in any codes for now. Let's just go down.
I did a code to get the, but the other codes do something else. I saw the door open though. The one Max.
I think I hear Max. I think Max is here. Max, are you here?
Come on! Here!
I think I hear. Oh, there's.
Yoko! Help! Wait, Mark! Uh-huh. Yoko!
Up here.
Up here,
dude.
yeah.
Here! Come on! Help!
No, not help.
Come on! Yoko! Come on!
That's how it's done.
Yoko! Here!
No, come up here, Max. Come up here.
Yoko!
Come up the ladder.
All right, I'm just gonna go to do the guest thing real quick. I mean, you know where I'm gonna be if you want to join. That's where I'm gonna go. All right, I hear a zombie coming in. Crawl through here.
Oh, there he is. Okay.
Sounds like Yoko. Yoko! Yoko!
Max has a wrench, but I don't.
We don't need the wrench. I actually dumped that wrench. We no longer need that wrench. That was mine. But we're done with the wrench, and even the valve handle. We don't need that either.
Do you, being Kevin, want the 45 rounds for your handgun?
I'm gonna be okay. I think I'm gonna be okay. I hope. All right, I'm opening the door right now. And I'm going through the door with the guest room computer. The guest computer.
Do you need help?
No, I'm just gonna register my fingerprint, I think that's all.
Alright, we'll just wait here, I guess, unless Max wants to follow, but I'll just wait here.
Use the terminal code. Oh, I need the code, actually. Alright. No, it's done. It's done. Okay, I got it.
You picked up the file, I think, right?
Yeah, I got it. It's fine. So now, I don't think I need the lab card. Actually, I'm gonna keep it. We're in a lab. Everything is with lab cards here, so I'm just gonna...
I'm not
hold
sure.
on to the card for now. But what about me, Jazz? Do I say your name properly? Jazz, do I say your name properly? I'm really good with saying names. Alright, let's go. I'm coming. I'm joining you guys.
You're all set with the fingerprint? Okay.
Yes, the fingerprint's ready, so now we need to go into that room. You know which room anyway. You've played RE2. You know which room.
Yeah.
That's where we get the blowtorch in there.
We need to go down, but...
You need to go up.
We have to go up because... room. The blowtorch is in there. But Max just went down one floor.
Max needs to stick with you.
Please, I'm doing my own thing. Not really, but like...
Now I know a tactic how to avoid the hunters. Because there's gonna be a timed part, a timed event. We need to wait for the ice to melt so that the platform becomes operational again, basically. And until that happens, we're gonna get attacked by a bunch. Oh, here you go. There you are. So until then, we're gonna have to battle a bunch of hunters, but I know how to avoid them if you want. Like, we won't have to fight them.
Funny. I think it's advised not. Someone just asked about playing with Wi-Fi. I think it's advised not to play with Wi-Fi, probably.
Back in the day, you had to play with wire, and initially, even the PCSX2 emulator required you to have a wired connection. But now it's fine, really. This way. But now it's fine, really. You can play it over Wi-Fi. I'm playing it over Wi-Fi. And are we experiencing lag? I mean, I don't see you lagging or anything. Do you see me lagging?
No. Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm playing over Wi-Fi now. They have improved. They have improved the. So now we go this way. Oh man, I love these labs.
You can do it better. This way. This way.
Jasmina. Can be Yasmina, Jasmina, Yasmina. That's why it's Jazz then, because your name is Jasmina. Or Yasmina. Okay, so this is where... Alright, I had to put up the shutter, you see? You see, it's a good thing I didn't throw away the card.
Yeah.
Now I'm done.
2, you don't need a key card. It's just a button.
Let's go. Oof, man, this hunter scared me. What about this? What do we do here? Security fingerprint, and it's done. Let's go.
Gonna bust in there. Whatever's in there, I'll take it down.
No, the room should be empty here.
RE2, there's 3 mutated liquors in there that are strong, you know, it's so bad in here.
And in the Nintendo 64 version, in RE2, if you access this room, there's a dead hunter. It's the only time you see a hunter in RE2. Oh, there's the blowtorch. I can have it, I can take it, I'll do it. We'll get rid of the lab card key, I don't need it. Anything else? I think the zombie might get up, not so sure.
Probably.
What else?
Accurate. This room is still from RE2, you know, it's so accurate.
A creepy experimental object floating in the capsule. It looks like as if it is about to move. Okay. This is where they did the hunters, I think. This is where they created the hunters, because, like I said, there was a dead one.
Max, if you come up here, there's a shotgun.
I'm gonna take this. Hold on. I took this shotgun. I replaced it with my other shotgun. It had 4. This one has 7. Ken is Kenneth. Well, yeah. I mean, there's 2 names. I mean, there are 2 separate names. Ken and Kenneth are 2 different names. But Ken is short for Kenneth as well. My name is actually Kenneth, but everybody calls me Ken. Ken is such a man. Let's get out of here.
Yeah. Uh-oh, Max is dead. Max is dying.
Seriously? Aw. That's why he should stick with us.
Yeah, he went on some adventure, I don't know.
He went on some adventure. Do you want to go get him, or...?
He was at 50% in the beginning of the scenario, I think, when I picked him up. He's dead. Okay, he's dead.
He's dead? Rip.
I was just about to say, no offense, Max, but I think you're dead now. Sorry.
I love how cold this room is. You can see actually, if you look at your character, you see him exhaling, you know, like...
Yeah.
That's awesome. Alright, I'm gonna take care of this guy. Hold on. Alright, get ready. From this point onwards... the hunters are gonna defrost, so you gotta make a run for it.
So a little other tidbit is in the N64 version. Yeah, in that room there's a hunter, and there's a file describing the type of hunter it is. And it was, I think, specific to this lab, supposedly. It's the Hunter R, or something to that effect.
That's why I wanted to get the Nintendo 64 version. Oh, the zombie's getting up. We can just get out of here. We're done here.
Run!
Okay, now you just run, alright? Run past the hunters because they're gonna start defrosting right in front of our eyes. So just keep running, alright? You know where we need to go now, the platform. Alright, let's go. Run. You hear them? Walking around.
Max said it's so hard without communication and weapons. Smiley face.
It is.
I mean, back in the day, it's like...
Keep running, keep running.
Mark is just really slow.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. We did a speed test, actually. Running the same direction, and we started together, and yes, my character is faster than Mark for sure. Alright, so, I can do the turntable key, actually. can do this. We can do this. Where's the key? Over here. Okay. Gonna do the thing. I think the hunters are coming. Oh no, the turntable is frozen. It won't move. Oh no. We need to wait for the turntable to defrost. Alright, it's defrosting now.
It's a time thing.
Yeah, it's defrosting just now.
So, yeah, there's a code. I think there's a code for one of the doors, but maybe on easy it was already open.
Do you know why the labs were frozen here in this game? Do you know why the labs were frozen?
A file, right? Is there something
what?
Describing that?
I think so, but basically the labs were frozen because they tried to contain the outbreak by freezing everywhere, you know? Wow, I've never heard the message. We need to stay here now. We need to stay here for the next 3 minutes. We just need to wait 3 minutes here because hunters are gonna start. Hunters are gonna start coming in and look for us. We're safe here. You can hear them actually if I'm quiet.
Good stuff.
Hopefully they won't find us. I wouldn't get close to the stairs because they might see you and they can actually climb up as well. But over here we're kind of safe. I've never heard this message. I don't know if it was an emulator thing, but I've played this several times and I've never heard this message. But now I updated my my emulator and I updated the patch and stuff, and now I hear this message. Oh yeah.
Good to see you. Distant memories. X was saying, yeah, you're not completely safe from...
Over here is the safest place. I mean, I usually like to hang out here. Because if you're outside over there, you're gonna have to fight hunters. You're wasting ammo, and now we're about to do a boss fight. And the first scenario is it's the only scenario that doesn't have a boss fight. It's a peculiar name, right, Vloggy? I don't think it is, no. I like the name. And the hunters keep coming in. We're safe here.
I can't really hear them. Can you hear them?
Yes, I can hear the footsteps, yes. I mean, if you want, you can go check it out. And I can hear the footsteps, yes.
Alright, Kurt, thank you so much for being here.
And thank you so much for being here as well, Kurt.
Oh, you guys wasted it on the hunters, though.
I think as soon as we get up there now, I think we're gonna find more ammo. We can't go in from here. What's it locked? What does it say? Yeah, it's I just...
Please help! Please help me! Help! Please help! You! Kevin! Yoko!
Rip Yoko!
Max played it yesterday, I guess, was able to knife the boss.
Knife the boss. You know, Max, you died very soon. I don't believe that. I'm kidding. Do you see me dancing? Alright, we did it. Yeah, I do like the name, Jazz, yeah. I do like it.
Max has a video for proof, so.
Disco, disco, good, good. I like this part. She's growing an extra boob. Look, she's growing an extra boob. People say that this is an Alien reference or something. I never watched the Alien movies, so I don't know.
It's a pretty...
It's a cute...
heavy Alien reference.
That's what they say. They say it's very Alien inspired. I never watched the Alien movies, so I can't really comment. That's what they say.
RE2 has kind of been inspiration of, and then obviously Nemesis is like Terminator. But there's definitely some Alien references. The self-destruct system stuff is like ripped from the first couple Aliens.
Really? Interesting.
Yeah, at the end of those movies, don't want to spoil it, but yeah.
I need to watch those movies. Where do I start from? The Arnold Schwarzenegger movies.
We were talking about Terminator.
No, Alien. Isn't there an Alien movie with Arnold Schwarzenegger? No?
No, it's with Sigourney Weaver.
So no, sorry, Predator is Arnold. Yeah.
Oh, you're thinking Predator? Oh, okay.
I don't know. They're separate movies? They're not the same thing. Alien and Predator. I don't know.
Actually, you never watched Predator.
I don't know. I thought it was like the same thing. I don't know. Alien and Predator, like I don't know.
Come in the same universe.
Or in the same universe, but they're separate movies. I don't know. I like the way this monster mutates.
Yeah, it's really disgusting.
It's so well detailed. I love it.
Never watched. No. Watch Predator, I feel horrible.
Yeah, Jazz. I like the word. I like the name. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 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 Go.
Mark is so slow.
Yeah, he is. I need some shotgun rounds. Here we go. Equipping my shotgun. We got this. We got this. This is basically a ripoff from the RE2 monster as well. Oh, whoa.
Trying to hit him.
I got him. He's on his knees. Okay, he's getting up. Come this way, sucker.
Pain.
Come this way, sucker. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna ram him.
Why is he not reloading? Reload, reload.
Pain.
He's coming my way. Of course he is. Eat my gun.
He's not in the train.
Ooh, nice. That's a good shot. Uh oh, my gun is empty again. I need to reload. No. Oh, you did it. I was just reloading. That was you. That was you. GG.
Did you know you could use the train to hit him?
What? Really?
I'm trying to do, but I didn't want to hurt you, so.
So you can run over with the train or something?
Hit on the turntable box there.
I have a bad
it
habit
gives you the
of
option to hit the train.
But I don't need to do it.
Oh, I want to try that.
At present, Raccoon City is one giant freak show.
Anyone else that wants to, who's been on my streams for a while that I know that wants to join in, I need another couple-minute break if you don't mind.
Take your time. Actually, I'm gonna go pee as well.
Good timing.
All right, so exit. I'll create a room in the meantime. But yeah, take your time. So yeah, Jazz, I like the name. I like the name Dante, and I have a friend called Enzo. So yeah. Disco, disco, good, good. That file will be updated. Now, actually, before I create the next scenario, I need to check with everyone, because the next scenario was broken. Makes sense. Disco, disco. Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna go to the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Just go? Okay. Who is left in the room here? I should have pulled up Vloggy's stream as well. So overwhelmed. Let's see who's in Vloggy's. Jazz. You guys are having a good time. Earlier.
Okay, I'm back.
Nice. All right, welcome back.
All right, so now I was wondering about the next scenario. The thing is, I don't know if you're aware, but the third scenario, which is called Hellfire, is broken. It's a bit buggy online. I don't know.
Oh, I didn't know.
Yeah, as long as we don't use the voice, the ad-libs, like, hey, follow me, or that stuff, as long, it won't break. But if you hit, you know, the prompts, actually, is the next scenario, hold on, is the next scenario, yeah, it's the Hive, actually, no, it's the Hive. Hellfire is the one that's broken, so we can play the Hive now. We're gonna be okay.
Okay, the Hive, yeah.
The Hellfire, the one after, is broken. If you use the voice commands, it breaks. One of us will die immediately. They just pass out.
That's scary. Yeah. Okay.
All right. So, is anybody gonna join us this time or not?
I don't see anything in my.
I'm gonna leave it with 3 players anyway, just in case anyone wants to join. We're gonna go on easy, and the next scenario is gonna be the Hive finish. So it's ready. the room is called Disco.
Oh, I can continue. Okay.
Martin used to join us back in the day. Martin used to join. There was another viewer that used to go by the name of Mac Knight. Used to join us as well back in the day. And thank you for subscribing, the Assault Ops. Sorry, I didn't acknowledge your name. I know you subscribed, but I was distracted. Thank you so much for subscribing.
Oh, you did Disco? Okay.
Yes. I'm Disco.
Yeah. Right.
So I see you went in as well. So you haven't heard from Max, did you?
And he'll pass, he said.
Alright. Well, it's a tough scenario, actually. Are you familiar with this one? Because you're gonna carry me a little bit here, huh? I'm not very familiar with this one.
Okay?
Yeah?
Hospital?
Sorry. Yeah, this is the hospital, yes. Yes. Raccoon Hospital.
Okay. I'm... Oh, man. Where there's a code. So, I don't know. I don't have the cheat sheet, but...
You can easily look it up if we get stuck, no worries.
Yeah.
And even this one, we get to access so many areas in this scenario that you don't in RE3. It's so clever. I love it.
Exactly.
Now with this scenario, I've spent hours playing this scenario recently with Drew. I mean recently, as in recently, like last year with Drew. And we never finished it. The only time I finished it is when some random guy joined us, and he carried us throughout the whole scenario.
I must say that this hospital is not an ideal place to take shelter. It's not as safe as it may look or sound. I myself have decided to get out of here as soon as possible.
This guy was just reading the script. It was so obvious.
Been back in the day with Outbreak Online 10 years ago was a lot of times I'd go on, people would carry you through the game, you know, so you didn't have a chance to do it yourself, really.
Exactly. Exactly, that's what I mean. Me and Drew spent hours running around this hospital, not knowing where to go, what to do next, or whatever. You can have the first herb if you want.
There's an AIDS spray here, so.
I'll take this one. Okay.
To you. I was going for the AIDS spray. I was like, you peasant, get the herb.
So yeah, after hours of not knowing what to do with Drew running around this hospital, I have no idea what to do. Then somebody just joins, and he just carries us throughout the whole scenario. Oh no! Oh no! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Here we go! Oh man! No! 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 Here we go! Here we go! Alright, you can go. I'm out of here. I'm gonna start panicking. This is where I start panicking.
Yeah, so it's like there's a lot of scenarios where there's something chasing you, you know? Doesn't that feel like it? Like,
I think this is the only one, really. This is the only one that really affects me, though. This is the only one that really stresses me out.
In this room here.
I think this is the room, yeah. Should trigger a cutscene. Here's what we're gonna do. If we manage to do this scenario, if we manage to finish this scenario, I'm rewarding everyone in this in the chat with 500 pants points.
I'm trying to figure out why.
It's like a good idea.
It seems the electricity on this floor is entirely supplied by an auxiliary battery. See if this works.
One. That's a lot of pants that you just lost. Oh my goodness. I hate this creature. He fell backwards.
Okay, I have your chat up now too. I didn't have it up before. So I see Juan. Hello.
Yeah, Juan just bet 9,000 pants points and rip. Yeah, if we do manage to finish this scenario, I'm rewarding everyone with 500 pants points. But we have to do this. Okay, let's get out of here. Zombies coming up. Ugh.
Some blood packs. If you get the blood packs,
yeah, we should get the blood packs. At least we should. One of us. Yeah, there's gonna be one over there for sure. Should we both carry one? Let's carry one, both of us, just in case.
I would carry it just in case he corners you. Making sure there's nothing else in this room.
The only way to get your pants back.
Try to like get this thing off.
Is to stay active in the chat, or pray that we. Oh! All right. I cannot hit him with my feet. Let's get out of here. We're done here, I think. I think the blood packs, we should be using them whenever we have to do a puzzle or something, and he's in the room. Like, I need to put in a code and
yeah, and then there is that one specific area that you trap him in this area that you can turn up the heat.
Okay.
You definitely want to save one of those. Just
the leechman's here. The leechman's here. I'm going in the elevator. I'm going to first floor.
Oh.
I'm going on the first floor. Again, I can't stay long in a room waiting for you because the thing is, the freaking leech monster. Alright, there you are. That's what I hate so much about this scenario. We can't really communicate much because we won't have much time. I can't say, I'm waiting for you in this room, come over here.
Yeah, I understand.
It's stressful. That's why it's such a relief when you enter the room and you're like, there's no air vents in this one. What's this? Blue herb.
Max, this is VloggyBuddy on YouTube, if that's what you're asking.
It's me! It's me, Mario! Oh, I hear him. He's here. He's here.
Yep, he's coming in.
Which way do we go? Did you go through the other door?
Yeah, I just went through the other door,
Right,
which takes us to the...
I'm just waiting for the leechman to... Just waiting for leechman to turn around. because he's right in front of the door. Hey Max, welcome. So you're the one playing with us. Okay, Leechman's over this way. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm coming.
Right, this place is closed off until you use a code, I think, to open up the doors.
Alright. Ah, this is where Carlos was, you see? We can go out
The front
because there's
door.
a lot of zombies. And I think this is disconnected, right? Yeah, no power. I have you both on dual screen. That's what I'll do. I mean, I'm not watching Ari Talk stream right now, but when I'm done, I'm gonna watch his point of view.
Oh.
Even though we're not really separated that much, he's not really doing his own thing on his own. So, but still, it's still enjoyable to watch his perspective.
I'm just walking. He should be.
He's still here, I think. I still hear him. I still hear something. Is he here?
Bastard!
Is he here?
I see he's in the room. But we have to go back to the
Whoa! Whoa! He got me! Oh, you son of a biscuit! Get out of here!
Start bleeding.
Whew. Oh, he's betting all his 70 pants points. You're gonna lose them. Oh, you didn't. Well played. All right, so where do we go from here? I think we should go down again. I think we're done here. I don't think there's anything here left to do. You wanna go down?
One.
We go the 3rd floor.
Started on the wait. Were we on 3rd?
I went on the 3rd floor.
Oh, you went 3rd. Okay.
Yeah.
Ouch. I just exited.
I think this is the same floor we were in, actually.
Floor then.
Yeah, this is the same floor. Let's go to the other floor. B something. What was it? What was it called?
2nd floor.
2nd floor. Yeah, coming on the 2nd floor. Sorry.
Okay. This is locked, I think. With this room, okay. What's in there?
Okay, I'm coming.
Yeah, Max, this is the RE3 hospital, but you get to explore more areas that you didn't get a chance to in the RE3,
careful.
which is cool.
Wait, was it here? Have we been in this room? No, we haven't. No. Oh no, he's coming in! I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
No.
Oh
Yeah.
man. Is there anything? Do you want me to come back? Because I had to leave the room.
My screen's frozen. Son of a
What?
level 1 key card.
Alright. Level 1 is the first
He's
floor.
sucking on some blood right now. Hold on.
Oh.
Oh, I'm getting another blood pack.
I'm gonna look around real quick. Let's see what's what over here.
Level 1 key card. So whatever that's.
You prefer Nemesis than Leechman? No. I will have to disagree on that. I prefer Nemesis than the Leechman. Nemesis is cooler because he calls out your name. You know, he opens doors and
Yes.
he runs around.
S says for Nemi. That's what.
Yeah, I mean, he's cooler. I agree he's cooler, but he's more dangerous. I prefer the Leechman
Oh,
because
yeah,
he's slower.
Yeah, from that, I get what you're saying. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, I like Nemesis. He's cooler. But Leechman is a slow walker. Alright. The vent is right over my head, so...
We're here if you need it.
Oh,
I
he's
don't
here,
see
he's
anything
here, he's
in
here! Get out! Man, I panic. That's
Oh my
gonna be
God.
the difference between you and me. I freak out and panic when I see one, and you're just gonna be chill.
Cornered myself bad.
Do you need help? Do I come back?
No, I'm good.
So, we're on the... Which floor are we on right now? We're on the...
So we need to go to the basement now, I think.
No, you got the first floor key, so we just need to go down one floor. Now, there's a set of stairs over here. I don't know where to... Let's go down here.
Yeah, go down those stairs. Yeah, that's right. Because then there's a room you have to activate the shutters so you can even open them. Like
yeah, this is it. I think this is it. Hold on. Is this it? No, there's no power.
See, there's no power. So I think it's... See, I think it's this room over here.
There's gonna be some windows. Just be very careful. Be careful because there's one room here that it has windows. Okay, I opened this room. I don't know where this is gonna lead us.
Yes, I got killed there. Yes.
Yeah, careful of the windows because they'll grab you and it's one hit kill.
Hey.
This is not it. This is not it. But somewhere here for sure. Now what's over here?
Yeah. One of these has a zombie in it, so.
Really? Oh, I'm not gonna gamble. I'm not gonna gamble.
Any of them are necessary, but oh wait, there's a red herb.
You can have it. I'm good.
Here or something.
Whoa! Whoa! He's coming in! He's coming in! I'm following you.
All right, yeah, I'm going in the room. That's the
one with the windows. Yeah, I think this is it. I think this is the room. Yeah, with the careful, because they'll grab you and it's a one-hit kill. They'll drag you out. Yeah, this is it. Watch out from the window. Stay away from the window. You see, if he grabs you. What about here? What's this? There's something on the table here. Is this a card? Level 1. It's the same card you got, I think, huh? Card key level 1. It's the same one. Let's see. Looks like
level 1 then.
Let's take the other door. Let's take this door over here.
The room.
Which door did you take? I don't know which door you took. I think this is where I need to be though. Central waiting room, I think.
I might do that. I might take you up on that.
Now where am I? Oh, there's doggies here! Ah!
Oh, pick it up.
There's doggos in here.
The item. Oh, I already got the level 1.
Where are you? Which room are you in?
A stat? No.
Careful now. I'm coming. We need to find some sort of control room. Are you in the treatment room?
But I don't see anything. There's hemostat medicine.
Yeah, this is a safe room. The leechman's not gonna come in here.
Cool gloves. That's a special item.
So we need to go to the first floor from the other side using the elevator then.
There's a room up ahead that might help. I'm not sure. Wait, what the hell is... Oh, it's a first aid.
I think hemostat stops the bleeding, right? I'll take it, just in case.
It can happen with the leech monster. It could cause you to bleed, and then you're...
Yeah, if you bleed, I think you're in trouble.
Oh god, there's zombies everywhere. What just happened? Oh my god, the leechman's in here. Oh, I'm leaving.
I'm coming. Yeah. I think we need to take the elevator to the first floor.
Yeah.
Alright, this is not the place. This is
oh my
not
god,
it.
Doberman.
Yes, there's doggos over here. And I think this is locked. And yeah, there's nothing here.
Spray.
We can't be here long because Leechman's also gonna come here. And he's coming. Get out of here. Yeah, Leechman's here. Get out.
I guess.
Wow.
Unless there's another way, I don't think so.
No, we need to go back up the stairs and then take the elevator to the first floor. It will take us to the other side of the first floor. Careful of the zombos. Careful. So all we have to do here is just, I think, grab the card. But actually, I think you had the card before. So I don't see the point of this area.
Forest level flashback. Someone said in chat they like that in the hospital. Wait, is it this way?
Yeah, it's this way. No, Juan, don't bet everything. Don't bet everything. You lose. Alright, let's go up the stairs. So there's no point. Everywhere here is locked and closed, so... let's go up.
I have to go up.
And we need to take the elevator. It will take us to the other side of the first floor. That's how it is. Look at you with the pants.
You can't use the key card. I'm pretty sure it's the basement. I'm pretty sure.
It says first floor. It says level 1, so I think it's the first floor.
Right. I think it's a trick. Well, you go to the first. I'll go to the basement.
But I don't. Oh wow! Ambushed. I'm going to the first floor.
You go first floor. I'll go to the basement.
Okay. If it's the first floor, I'm just gonna wait there for you to follow me. Alright. Oh, actually, you're right. There's nothing here.
I hope I have a blood pack.
There's nothing here, though. I think you're right. I think it is a trick. There's nowhere to use the card on here, so...
E card.
Used it?
Yeah, it's taking me to South Passway. Okay. I think it's just a level 1. I don't think it means floor 1.
Yeah.
Level 1, you know?
There's nowhere to use the card over here.
Part. This is not a good part for me. Together. The room in the basement with the codes I gotta use.
Go now.
I'm coming where you are. You're lost in a nightmare.
Get off.
Hospitals are cold. Yes.
Get off the when you get off the elevator, the room on the left.
Room on the left, I'm coming.
Straight ahead, but the room on the left I'm in.
I'm taking the elevator in a sec. Yeah, I think...
Leechman's in here,
I think,
but I'm gonna use a blood pack.
I think this is, this gets me really into the Resident Evil, you know, vibe. This area, this scenario, because it's a big hospital, it's cold, it's big, you get lost. Okay, so you're in B1F, right?
I have the code, it should be right here. Oh, here it is, okay.
Oh,
This says 4-digit.
Alright. Reposing room, is that it?
I have the codes on me. Damn. I thought the code was in here, but...
Alright,
Ah, he's back.
I don't know where you are. You're in B1F, right?
What's going on? I'm frozen. I hate when this thing freezes. I'm bleeding yet, so that's good. Right, I'm on the basement, first floor basement.
Is it the control room? Are you in the control room? No, you're not.
No.
Alright, I found something here. What's this? A code. Elevator. Call the elevator. I need the passcode for the elevator.
I thought it was... The passcode was in that room, but it's not.
Oh no, he's in here! Ah! Now I'm bleeding.
Go now.
Get out of here!
Move.
No, 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 no.
I can't stop the bleeding.
Alright. What's the password for the...
I don't know.
Call the elevator? Yes, I need a passcode though. 4-digit code. It says it requires a 4-digit code, but it doesn't say what it is. God dang it.
I thought that note said it, and it doesn't. Great, I know we need a 4-digit code. God.
Alright, so let me just go
I hate when
through
these
the
zombies
files.
hide in lockers.
Files. Setting... No.
In this room. The room across from... I know where we have to go, I think. Are you in the hallway or are you in the control room?
I'm in the... What's this room called? I'm in B1F. I think it's called the reposing room or something. I think. Oh no!
Alright,
oh,
I'm
no.
going into.
Leechman's over here. He's looking for... Oh my god! I think I know. I think he knows where I am. He's walking towards me. Hey V4, welcome. Yeah, he knows where I am. He's coming straight at me. Yep, I know it.
I don't see.
Run! I'm out of here.
Here.
Okay, I'm coming out back into the hallway. Coming out to the hallway. Oh, I hate hospitals. I hate hospitals so much.
Say something.
You want me to speak?
Use some kind of like hello or like help me or.
Oh man, my controller died. What the heck?
Rock and roll.
Oh, I see. Yeah, keep going that way. Yep, keep going that way.
I got a zombie in my face.
I see you on the map. Uh oh, the leech man's here.
All right, so
This way.
man, this is so stressful. Oh, I hear you. Oh, Leechman's here. You're right. Okay, come get me, sucker.
Hold on.
I see you. Where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Is it this
Door
one?
at the end of the hall.
We've got
Yeah, let's go to
zombies.
down here.
Alright. If you hate Possible Zone, play silent.
God, I think there's something here.
I never
Right,
played
Max.
silent.
Thanks for hanging out and playing with us.
This is a safe area for sure.
Perhaps.
Yeah, I know. There's no monsters here, except for some leeches on the floor. There's something on the floor here. The zombie has something. Look. This guy. Oh! Whoa, whoa, whoa! God dang it! I don't think I picked it up. There we go. I'm still on fine. I picked the key, but it's a padlock key.
Okay, that is used at the end, I think.
Yeah, that I know that for sure. Yeah, I know that you use it at the end, but
Trade something? There's something else on the ground.
I didn't. No, I didn't.
Oh, you know what? Must allow everyone to have a
key
just
item.
in
Yes,
case.
yes. I remember. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry to hear, Jazz. Sorry to hear. Is she okay now? Let me just look around real quick.
I still don't know where the code. I guess I could Google it.
Yeah, let's Google it.
Googling it now.
Alright, yeah.
Let's see here.
Don't leave the room while you Google because this room is safe. No leech man, no zombies. Except for the leeches on the floor actually, so careful, there's leeches. You want me to do it?
I got the website up now.
Alright.
See, okay, I've got the codes.
Oh, nice.
Ad playing? Ugh, stupid ads. So I'm going for it. For possibilities, the roof, there's only one code, but there's 4 possibilities for the second basement floor.
Alright, so that's a dead end. You go this way, watch out. I wonder if the leechman's still here. No, he's not. We're good. I'm gonna pick that up actually. I'm gonna pick up the red herb real quick.
No, if we were George can take the red herbs, I think, and turn them into hemostat.
Oh, okay. It's a good thing I picked that up earlier, the hemostat, because I was bleeding. Alright, so we keep going straight.
I got the codes.
And this door, is it this door? No, it's that door. Yeah, it's the one you took actually, yes. I can't see a thing. Sometimes because of the camera angles, you cannot see where the door is. Oh, she went for surgery. Okay, operation, yeah. So she must be in recovery right now, yeah? Yeah, this is it. This is it. I don't have a blood pack actually, so careful. Careful. He's after you.
The first one didn't work.
He's after you. He's after me. He's after me. This way. Come over here.
One. Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's okay. He's following me. Okay, he got me. I'm gonna have to leave the room. Sorry. So now he's gonna go your way. Sorry. But I'm on 35% virus already. I'm coming back in though.
Okay, got one of the codes.
Alright, so you open the shutters and stuff? No.
The elevator to the second, the basement second.
Yeah, it opened an extra area in the elevator.
Rooftop, but I don't remember what's on the rooftop.
Oh, the rooftop actually is not even a key area. It's just an optional area. Well, I mean, we can go now.
I think there's anything in the roof.
I think there's a machine gun up there. Let's go. Roof.
Right. So yeah, B2 it should be open.
B2F, is that it?
B2F. Yeah, okay.
Have we been here? Oh, watch out! Okay, this is locked. It needs a card key. Hold on. Is this it? Is this it?
Yeah, we have to kill the leech man in the other room to get the
Oh, okay, so this is useless.
him into the room that's across from the elevator.
Oh, the door won't budge. Okay, careful, 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 careful.
The elevator.
Alright, I kicked him off you.
Let's go
in here. Let's see where this takes us.
We necessarily need the blood pack. We just need to lure him in the room.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. This is not.
Okay, it's in the next room.
There is a blood pack over here. Actually, I'll grab it.
Yep.
Alright. But did you actually use the first floor key anywhere or not? The level 1 key?
1? Yes.
It is.
Area we got the padlock key from.
Alright, yeah. I'm gonna place the pack over on the floor right now. Okay. Beakers and test tubes. We just need to wait now. I'm at 40% virus.
Right, I'm at the terminal, so if he shows up...
Yeah, I see you.
Brick.
Oh, he's coming in. Okay,
go to the blood pack.
Yeah, I opened the shutter for him. He's going in. Come on, go in.
Not in the room, right?
He's in the room. You see him? Oh, he went in. Okay, good. You just do it now. Do it now. Do it now! You can do it. Switch on the heat. There we go.
There we go.
Nice. He's ripped.
Oh, I have to cool it down and then
yes, you have to cool it down again before I can actually grab the card because I think it would be too hot or something.
It's like so precise.
Yeah. Did you know that even if one of us dies, let's just say Max was playing with us and he died, the leeches would get onto his body and then we'd have another leech man to deal with. Did you know that?
Yes, I did know.
This reminds me of RE5.
Last time I played this scenario a couple months ago, I was doing it solo, I wasn't online. I ran out of all my weapons and I beat the last boss just by like on the ground or something.
Alright, did you turn the heat off again?
Right now it's good.
Alright. You wanna go grab it? Go grab it.
Level 2.
Nice.
Here. Is that open?
I'm doing the moonwalk.
In the hallway, and then you have the padlock key, right?
Yeah, I do. Yeah, I do.
I think that's all.
But we can go onto the roof now and grab some. I don't know how to get to the roof though. I don't know how.
I have to go to the room to put the code in.
I'll follow you.
And gotta go upstairs then.
So which floor are you taking now?
Have to go to B1.
Alright. I have no idea what you're doing right now. I'm just following you.
Yeah, just
So if I had to replay this right now, I wouldn't know what to do still.
So, but that's what you wanted, right? To go to the rooftop?
Yeah, because if we go to the rooftop, there's some extra ammo and stuff. It's an optional area.
Cool.
Alright.
930. There, okay. Elevator now.
Alright. There should be an elevator. Alright, there should be a roof option then. I wonder where you find the codes. These codes that you put in. You know,
I still don't know. I don't. It must be a file somewhere, but.
So we're going roof. There should be an option for roof now. Oh, there it is, rooftop. Now on the rooftop, I don't know if there's gonna be crows, but there should be like a machine gun for sure, or an assault rifle, whatever. And there's beautiful views up there. And gun rounds. I don't even know if they're good for my gun.
Ah. So hard to get this group.
This guy should give us... Okay, hey buddy, guess you made it far for nothing. Had this... Take this with you. Alright, he gave me an assault rifle. You can have it if you want. Submachine gun. Man, I love this view over here. With the sign that says Raccoon Hospital, I love it. Alright, we're done here, we're done here, we're done here. Let's get out of here. That's it. We just got the... So now, which floor we go to now? B1F, is it?
Ooh. B2.
Alright, hold on. I took the wrong floor. I'm coming.
Yeah, I have the level 2 card, which gets us through. And you have the padlock, so...
Actually, I think it is B2. Hold on. There's a door here that we still haven't opened yet. Oh no, it's open. No, so we must have opened this. Wait a minute.
Opened it.
Oh yeah, we've been here. Sorry. Yes, I'm so confused right now. I'm coming. I'm on my way.
Your footsteps. I can hear your footsteps in the other room.
I'm here. So you're in the underpass entrance, is that it? Alright, yes.
Speed spray. Okay, I'll take
There we go.
it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna open the... hold on. I'm gonna drop...
Come here.
Hold on. I'm gonna heal up. I got a machine gun. It has 30 rounds.
Should be good.
We should be okay.
We should be good.
We should be okay. I know that the leech monster thing that we're gonna tackle we're gonna handle is I think there's like fire things that we can shoot at, so he gets damaged more. I don't know.
There's like valves on the roof.
Yeah,
on the
exactly.
ceiling.
Yes. Yeah. That's what I meant. Our way out. Operate
You
the
just,
boat.
and then I get. Yep.
It's in first person. Jump!
Right. That machine gun, we should be good.
But do I shoot directly at the leech or just shoot at the valves and stuff? What do I do? Whoa!
Shoot right at him.
Whoa! Whoa! Run!
And then,
do I shoot the? I don't know. Watch out!
These tentacles that come up. You don't lure them, you just stays there.
Watch out! Whoa! Big on. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Not doing anything.
You seem to be standing still right now.
Frozen or something?
Alright, you just lagged big time for a sec. I saw you frozen. Now you're okay.
Whoa.
Now you're back.
Wow, we did lag. Holy crap.
Seems to be okay now. Watch out, watch out. Ugh. How do we get him closer? I don't know how this boss is handled.
He just like the boss just takes his time, I guess.
It takes forever to lure him back to the beginning. Watch out.
He's just taking his time.
Yeah, I don't want to shoot at him and waste ammo. That's not how it's done. Careful. What virus level are you at right now? What's your percentage?
50%.
Alright, I'm a 48, so same waters. Come on. Come on, come on. Get me, sucker.
To the valves. The valve, the first one is right here.
Let's get him closer. Let's try to get it closer. They just keep running towards it and back. Watch out. Alright, we're getting to, it's getting, ooh, it's making a run for it now. Ooh, whoa, 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 whoa.
Acid.
Alright, I think one more.
Leave it up to you, Vloggy.
I can lure him. Can you pull off the shot towards the valve when it gets close? Oh, there's another one. Can you do that too? There you go.
I don't think there's any more valves until after this bridge.
Yeah. Ah. I saw him splashing and I didn't do it. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out. I love this camera angle outside the bridge.
It's got a lot of depth, you know.
Yeah, I really like this camera angle. You get to see your characters from outside the bridge, you know, from the outside.
I like is the outside of decisions, where there's the bridge in the background.
Yes, I love that. Yes,
yeah,
where there's the sharks. Alright. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, where did that come from?
Watch out, there's another one. Is there another valve over here? Yes,
yeah,
there
right
is.
here.
Alright, let me take care of the luring. Come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Get me, sucker. Why you no move? Come on. Be aggressive. Your character's bald head was actually blocking my view.
Right.
Look at this. I'm gonna get really close now. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Hi, I can't pronounce your name, but welcome to the stream. Yeah, I wish for some type of remaster or remake of this game as well.
Come on, come on. Now that you have, I want to ask you something. Now that you have Outbreak working on your PC and you can play it online and all that, and it runs better than the PS2 version now, do you care about getting a remake for, I mean, a release on the PS4? Does it matter for you now?
I know, if you think about it, it's like
we're good now.
Hey, yeah, we're making it work, so.
Exactly. All right, careful, careful. Can you do the shot? Can you make the shot? I'll just get closer a bit.
Oh,
I think you got it.
No, it was too far away.
I think you got it.
Okay, we're at the end here, so.
Yes. Now what we need to do, once he gets closer, there's a gasoline tank. We can shoot that one too. But he needs to make it all the way to the beginning. Come on. Ooh, go.
Failure.
Did I get that poison? No, not poison. Good. Just come a bit closer. Just a little bit closer. Come on, come on. Okay, I'm gonna heal real quick. Okay. Watch out, watch out. He needs to get closer, a little bit closer. Now, how close are we? Oh wow, he got me from... That was on the ground. Oh man.
Crap, I don't want to get next to that thing. He's not there yet?
He's getting closer. Very close. Alright, we got this. Let me take care of this now. We got him. That was me. GG. Nice. Now all we gotta do is just walk to the other side. And we're done. Look at us, we made it.
Sure would kind of be cool, like a way to make it look...
Look at me, I'm overtaking you, look. My character is faster than yours. We can race if you want.
Like you only caught up because I stopped.
No,
I
no, I still overtake you. We did it.
Disappeared.
You complete the scenario alone.
It's like you're just like poof, gone.
Yeah, Jazz. I mean, I did finish this entire game, but I never did it online. You see, I finished the game back in the PS2 days. You know, offline. I never played it online back in the day.
Can I awake from this dream?
And the thing is, sometimes AI completes some of the puzzles for you as well.
Me and Hellfire once.
I only beat Hellfire once myself. Back in the PS2 days. Other than that, I never finished it. We got the rank D.
Rank, ugh.
In fact, first scenario, we were rank B. Second scenario, we got a rank C, and now we got a D. We keep doing worse each time.
I don't know what's wrong.
I think it depends on the virus, how fast you finish the game, you know, how much you get hit, and all that. But I keep saving because I'm ranking up those points. I need to unlock a bunch of stuff.
Oh, FIFA!
FIFA! I know you stream, you know, I know you don't stream for long sessions, so I don't know if you want to call it or you want to go for another round. It's up to you, really.
Let's see. No, what other scenario is there on here?
Next scenario is Hellfire. We can try it, but we have to refrain from using the... come on!
God.
Yeah, because otherwise the game might crash.
Try to do that.
Let's try that.
Because we could do decisions.
We could, if you want. Yeah, we could.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Let's go decisions.
No guarantees of I'll survive though.
No, I don't think we're gonna make it, to be honest. I'm very rusty. I mean, I'm not rusty. It's just that even after completing it, I still can't remember what I just did. You know? We'll see. It's been a while. We'll see. We're gonna go on easy again.
I might need another couple-minute break.
Go. Take your time. TYT.
Much before the stream. Okay, I will be right back.
TYT, no problem. I should probably finish creating this room. You know what I'm gonna do, actually? Watch a bit more of the stream. Yeah, it's almost 3 AM over here, so... Alright, so I'm gonna create decisions. I love this scenario, I really do. And I'm gonna leave it open with 4 players. Maybe we get people who join us, I don't know. Maybe random people that join us. It'll be interesting. Ah, you're working. I have 3 days off, so that's why I'm abusing staying up late. I worked 9 days in a row, so I deserve these 3 days now. I'm gonna have a sip of water now. Somebody joined in. Somebody just joined in. That's 2 people now. Okay.
Okay. We are back. I am back.
Okay, so that's not you in the room. There's already someone in the room. That's awesome. I wonder
we got a new... Uh-oh. Help we can get, I guess.
I called the room YouTube game YTG. So, oh, is that you now? Did you just join?
Yes, I did just.
All right, so that's 3 out of 4. One of us is not you and me. Start 8.
Sure.
We'll see.
So we'll find out. I don't know.
I wonder if this guy knows the game inside and out. So the username is Alpha. Is that it?
Alpha? Is that their name?
Yeah, and it's playing as Cindy. Did you see that? I found the Resident Evil 1 mod. You can play as Cindy or Kevin.
There was no coincidence. I saw you and I was like, out. Now I'm back though.
Look, it's Albert Wesker's cousin. Alfred Wesker.
Too much growth weakens an organization. What should be important becomes overshadowed by greed. Mass production? Ridiculous!
Speedo Tyrant. I love this one. Because people are always commenting about the Tyrant's butt, like, oh, naked butt Tyrant. So they decided to put a Speedo on this one now.
Interesting that they had to censor it, I guess. It's too much.
It's so weird. They decided to put some Speedos on this one. Pantalones. Well, not pantalones, really. You recognize this area?
This place.
That's an RPD, yeah.
Yeah.
What?
And
Dear George,
rat type.
I have vital information about the current city crisis which only you will understand. I'm waiting at the university. Please contact me as soon as possible. Peter Jenkins.
This is Raccoon University. Why there?
Yeah, Jazz, we decided to skip the hotel scenario because it's a bit broken. I don't know, maybe they fixed it, but last time we played it, being true, first true, he's like, something's wrong, I can't control the game, my controls are dead, and all of a sudden he passed out. And I thought maybe his game bugged out or anything, or something. Then when we tried the second time, it happened to me. I'm like, what's going on? And then I looked up online, and apparently it's broken for some people. Oh, the third time we played it, the game stopped synchronizing.
Hey!
Oh wow.
Yeah, basically he was playing his own game. I was playing my own game. I could see his character, but no, we couldn't see each other's characters anymore. It's like they vanished. You know, he couldn't see me, I couldn't see him. So, I think
FIFA, I kind of figured out my headset. It's only playing on one side. I don't know why it's not playing on this side.
So which ear can you hear me from? The left or the right one?
My left.
I'm in your left ear. This is not the right room. I know my way around all this if you want.
Oh, you do know? I'll follow you.
Follow me.
Okay. PC. Alpha.
Ah, where did Alpha go, by the way?
His own thing.
Yeah, probably. Probably gonna solve all our puzzles or something. Alright, let's go up.
Probably.
Let's go up.
Be wandering around.
Let's go up the stairs. There's a few herbages and healings and stuff. I'm gonna take this one.
Figure out the, I don't know if I saw a setting for that to balance it out, but...
Alright, there's an herbage over here if you want to pick it up real quick.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Wait, where is it? Oh, it's a red one actually. Oh, there's a green and a red one. Take them.
Perfect.
And then we're taking this door, the one we just passed by. I understand you, but I don't with a word that you said. The hotel was yeah, the hotel is broken. The hotel scenario is broken online. Yeah. It's a bit bugged. Alright, I
know who the third player is. No,
hold on. Watch out. Help me! Help me! I forgot to equip my gun. And I'm bleeding now. God dang it. Alright, let's see if... Oh, I shot the screen! I think I shot the screen or something.
Wait, there's like blood splatter frozen in the
you
air.
see that? Yes.
Oh, it just disappeared.
Yeah, it disappeared. I saw that too. Give me a sec, cause I'm bleeding. I'm gonna take my time with this.
Oh, you.
Alright, I think no. I thought it was okay, but no. Oh, Cindy's over here. And Alpha just joined. Alright, so I know what to do here.
Cindy doesn't have anything on.
I don't know which door. One of these doors has... That's the beginning of the puzzle.
I'll take that door since the zombie's coming through the other door.
Okay. One of them, we need to pull a string. And we need to get the first jewel, basically.
Good.
Did you find anything?
Alright, this is not... Alright, you guys stay here. I'm gonna pull this... Oh, wow. The jewel was already lowered. That's interesting.
Hey there.
Alright.
Oh my god.
Easy.
I already got the first jewel. Okay, that's fine. Let's get out of here. We're done here. Follow me, guys.
Stu,
I need to go to the other side.
I'll try to hang around in the stream afterward. The widescreen thing. Doing. Isn't this the one we're going to be dealing with Thanatos? I guess so.
Yeah, Cindy just got the glasses. I need to take those glasses from her. Assuming she knows what we're doing. That's it.
Up a lot of stuff.
Alright, let's go. Let's go. I'm assuming that Cindy knows what we're doing, so I know where we need to put those glasses now. It's gonna open a shortcut.
FIFA said,
Vloggy
sounds so cute.
Here.
Follow me, guys.
This way.
Please help! Thanks. Mark. Cindy. Cindy. Cindy.
Where's Cindy? Put those glasses over there. Come on. Nice. Okay, I think she knows what we're doing. Let's go through here.
No.
I'm gonna refer to Cindy as a she. I'm assuming it's a she. Oh yeah, my favorite part.
But how long did it take me to download this game? I just found the easy tutorial on YouTube, but I actually had problems with the ISO file, and I had to people on the official.
Check out that wire over there. There's something underneath that wire.
Yeah, no, I don't think so.
Let's do it to Cindy. Let's do it to Cindy. Call her. Call Cindy.
Yes.
She's not falling for it. Oh man, I found there's
these guys trying to kill me.
Yeah, I have a clip on YouTube. I was playing it with Amy. And I was like, Amy, come over here. And I was like, Amy, come over here.
Cindy was telling me there's handgun ammo.
I don't care right now. I want to finish the puzzle. So I think now we're gonna be on the first floor again. Yeah, just keep following. Oh, there's the password here. I need you to memorize.
Here's what I'm thinking.
I need you to memorize 161 for now. 161.
Isn't there anything we can use?
Sure.
I'm gonna write it in chat actually, so I don't forget it. 161.
Perfect thing to do. And Thanatos, the tyrant, comes out and like starts killing all the UBC guys.
Yeah. So FIFA, is it like your first time hearing my voice? So this way now.
Wait. Oh wait, I just got some handgun ammo.
Nice.
Oh no, it's freezing for me. Ugh, I hate when this happens.
Is it lag though, or is it just the game? I'm gonna wait for you. I'm not gonna leave you behind. I'm gonna wait for you.
Right. Handgun ammo, but...
Okay, zombies coming.
Is that a Scottish accent?
Scottish? No. What do you mean? I can't even fake a Scottish accent. What are you on about? I cannot do it.
Ifa, Vloggy asked if this is the first you've ever heard his voice.
Is it the first time you heard my voice? Oh, you touch my tra-la-la. No, I don't think it's the first time she heard my voice. I think she was on Biohazard TV. So, this
Cindy,
way, follow me this way. It's right behind the staircase over here. right behind the staircase.
Here.
What is she trying to offer?
The other way.
She already put the blue gem. She already put the blue gem. Wow. She's already put the blue gem. Man. Kevin.
I want you to go through here.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna do the rest of the puzzle. Okay. I'm coming. She already took care of it. Okay, so she knows what she's doing. That's why it was already lowered, the hand. But the thing is, with key items, everybody can pick them up. You see? Now should be the rest of the password here somewhere. There should be the rest of the password here somewhere.
Oh, the clock puzzle. She's probably gonna do the clock puzzle.
Watch out. Zombie. Careful. Whoa, the zombie just teleported from one side to the other. Alright, let's go, let's see if she's doing the puzzle. Yeah, she's doing the puzzle. She's right there.
Wait!
So,
Cindy, you better know what you're doing.
I know how to do this. She's doing it. She knows what she's doing it. Are you holding the door? That's awesome.
Long, I don't think.
I want to help you hold the door as well, I think. Oh, wow, seriously? I didn't do anything, though. I was about to help.
You're like that guy that's like, yeah, I'll help.
Why didn't she do the puzzle yet? Why didn't she do the puzzle yet? What's taking her so long? I can do it if she
maybe you
doesn't
should just take over.
Right.
Alright, I'm gonna take over. Hold on. Oh, she got it now. She just got it now.
Good.
Let's go. Back to where we were. Behind the stairs.
Oh, she said, oh no, I've heard his voice once when he played Spider-Man.
Thanks.
Oh, yeah? Really? So you didn't see me on Biohazard TV when I was doing the stream? I thought you did. Alright, so you watched me do the Spooderman. Man, I missed that game. I can't wait for Spider-Man PS4. I think we're gonna get some news tomorrow or the day after. And I'm looking forward for that game as well. Days Gone. Alright, so she's gonna probably put the eye over here.
So we get to the office now?
Yeah, we can go down now from here. The passage just opened here. Vloggy, does this color suit me more? Do you change your username like Red? Do you change your username like every 30 days? Because I think YouTube doesn't allow you to change your username that often. Like 30 days or 90 days? If you keep doing that, people will not recognize you.
No!
George. You can have like George and Cindy together.
Nobody liked Indigo.
That ending, they like hang out with each other when the place blows up. But yeah, FIFA, this game is really confusing online because Cindy is doing everything, kinda, so.
There should be a torn memo. Okay. There should be a part of a torn memo. Oh, there it is. So it's 4161, the password. You can follow me. I know where to go from here. I think she already does as well. She left.
On top of it. Just along for the ride.
She's carrying us, but at least I know what I know what she's doing, you know? Sometimes
it's a long scenario.
Sometimes they carry you around and you're just following them and you have no idea we have no idea what they're doing or anything, you know? And even though you finish the game and all that and you get a good ranking, but it's no thanks to me. And I won't be able to do it myself. But at least I know what she's doing. Alright, that door. We need to take that door.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Yes, Red. Stick with the username Red. Don't change it again. Tomorrow to blue.
To just survive, I guess.
Did she just do the password? Did she unlock it already?
The elevator looks on to me.
Yeah, it looks green. Yeah, go the elevator. It's open. So where do we go from here? Now I get confused. Let's go third floor. Let's go third floor real quick. Okay, Dad. Oh, Red. I love you, son.
Hey, Spencer. What's up?
I love you, son. Alright, so let's just check it out.
Explain. Yeah. Oh, yeah. This scenario in particular, we have to find the antivirus or something or whatever.
Nikki's playing RE5.
Go down that, I think.
Is she streaming RE5, Red? Is she streaming RE5 right now? I cannot watch. So what's that? Is that? Oh, it's just the virus thingy. Streaming it? Yeah. Okay.
Herbs or no? Okay. Locked.
I don't think we can do anything in this room right now. No, there's nothing. There's no key things you can do in this room. I usually like to come to this room first just to pick up some supplies, but we're done here. We need to start going to the basements.
Excellent.
Be a difficult scenario. Solo, like it was crazy when I beat it offline. It was
actually when you beat this offline, the AI does a part of a puzzle for you. You need to get 3 ingredients to create the daylight serum, or the daylight whatever it's called. The third ingredient is really hard to obtain. I mean, I did it a couple of times, but it's so hard to obtain. But when you play it with AI, they will randomly run into you and they will offer it. Let's go B2F. Let's start from B2F. And they will just hand over the item to you. They will just go get it themselves. Alright, so let's see. I always get confused now. Like from where we start.
Down this manhole is that's where the gamma hunters are, I think. Right? Or no?
Not so sure. Let's start from down there. Oh, Cindy's here. Let's see. No, she's on red caution. And this is where she's going as well. Let's go. She's on red caution, huh? I kind of want her to survive. I kind of want her to survive, but if she dies, if she dies, at least we'll be able to play the game ourselves with no rush. This reminds me of RE2 as well, these sewers over here. That's this way, actually. Even the music is fantastic down here. Okay, Jazz, thank you so much for hanging out with us. Buenas noches to you too. We go up here. Watch out, there are zombies here. Just go straight up for the ladder because they can actually drag you down. Oh, there's another zombie up here as well. I've been getting a lot of support of people asking me, I'm trying to read the long comments, asking me if I can continue streaming after I left. No, I won't fully do it right now, but I have a feeling in the end it will work out. What do you mean work out? Like, what works out? Uh-oh, my gun is empty. I'm done. Alright, yeah. Whoa, watch out. Whoa, dude. Let's go. Yeah, I think this is the wrong area to start from. Ah, man.
The wrong what?
Yeah, we're gonna start with the gamma hunters first, apparently.
You're over here. Kind of like doing my own thing. Sorry. I'm like.
Are you?
Oh. Uh-oh, this opened to a whole other area I don't want to be in.
You can do your own thing, I mean, just don't die. I think you're going the right way, actually. I think I'm going the wrong way. Because I know how to get the first two.
Wait!
There's nothing here.
The
Man,
Gamma Hunters, there's a key with a red tag.
I don't have... Okay, the moment I walk past this area...
Wait!
45 auto rounds. I think this is for my gun. Combine... Yes. The moment I walk past here... Okay, don't walk any past... Don't walk towards the stairs, alright? Just stay here. Because it will trigger a cutscene and... I'm actually gonna go after her as well. Follow. Because if you walk over those stairs where the water tanks are, you'll trigger the hunters. So I think it's better if you walk this way.
It's working. It's not that hard to get out. Nowadays, it's not that hard. Wait, should I go over the water too?
Yes, come follow us this way, yeah.
But Mark he weighs a lot and he's gonna fall. No.
He's not.
I was gonna say too many donuts, but he's not really a cop. He's a security guard.
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna...
There, I don't know if we need it.
Because the moment you walk towards those tanks, it will trigger the hunters right away. We don't need that right now. Let's just do our thing first. Nah, it wouldn't change, Red. It wouldn't change anything. Why is she coming back? No, okay, I thought she was coming back.
Yeah.
You know what we should do? You know what we should do, you and me? I think she got this handled over here. I think she's gonna get the last ingredient herself over here. Maybe she can take care of it herself. And we can just go grab the other two. The other two are very easy to get. You wanna go with me?
Follow you.
Yeah, okay. Follow me.
PC here.
You remember that game? Follow me. I'm going up the ladder.
Just share you the easy tutorial thing if you need it, and I think I went on.
Target is closing in. All right, come on. The thing's too huge. These 9mm are useless. Almost got him. Hold on.
Calm down. You must give me your blood.
This is not Nikolai, but it's a Nikolai clone.
Nikolai.
We need to get that off his back now. Because his blood is a key ingredient of the Dilat serum. Speed up, Tyrant!
What the?
Yes, Red, definitely.
You.
But I thought that was Nikolai.
No, it's not really. Well, I mean...
Impressive.
Impressive.
I won't underestimate it next time.
I won't underestimate it next time.
It must be going to the man. Might as well set it up.
I don't think it's Nikolai
Just in
now.
case.
In chat saying it is Nikolai.
Is it? I don't know.
It is confusing because it's like, and then he's in RE3 area, and then he's known it to be Nikolai personally.
Actually, what we did going down there, taking this the area from underneath, I think it helped us avoid the sharks, which is fantastic. I'm gonna pick up the key card now. Gate system. There we go. Alright, so see if you want to pick up anything around. And then we're gonna open this door. Now, we're gonna have to separate real quick. I need you to stand by the switch to electrocute the tyrant. Alright? Because I'm gonna lure him. He's gonna be chasing me. Okay. This is where I'm gonna need you to stand by. There's a switch over here. Alright.
Is this unlocked or?
Yes, but it has no doorknob, so once you go through, you won't be able to come back. So
yeah, stand here.
Yeah, I need you to stand there, alright? And the command, I need you to, you know, it will say yes or no. So you need to have it on yes ready, okay? You see what I mean? If you click on it, or whatever, take action, it will say yes or no. You need to go on yes. Well, I mean, you can shoot it once just to see what happens. There you go. So yeah, I need you to stand by, holding, you know, being ready on the S, because I'm gonna lure the tyrant. He's gonna be chasing me, all right? And as soon as I come in, all right, I'm gonna pass underneath it. When the tyrant does, you need to zap him, and we need to pick up his blood, all right? So I'm gonna go now. I'm gonna take the long way around now because this door has no doorknob, so I'll be running around the structure. Let's go. Help me!
Is Cindy doing all the bees? And
yeah,
stuff?
I think Cindy's gonna do the other one, the hard one to obtain. What we're doing, we're gonna get the other two. All right. All right. I'm gonna wait for the tyrant to show up. Oh look, she just triggered the. She's doing that. You see?
Because I think that you need that key eventually, I guess.
Yeah, she's gonna go get it. She triggered this cutscene. She's doing this herself. You know how I told you not to get close to these water tanks? She must have done it now. So she could get the key.
I have full confidence in Cindy.
Yeah, me too. Me too. She can do that on her own. If she doesn't, we can go retrieve it from her. Alright, I need to... I need to lure the tyrant now.
You could switch maps so you could look at other parts of the map.
I don't know. You need to stay alert for the music as well, because if the tyrant stops chasing me and he goes after you, alright, you'll know when the music changes. Okay, he's with me. Tyrant is with me. I'm luring him towards the door.
Oh, you're almost at the door.
No. I'm luring him room to room, from one room to the other, basically. It's a special kind of tyrant thread, actually. Ooh, I'm coming. Yes, I'm coming in. He's coming. Get ready. Get ready. He's coming. Come on, don't change your mind. Sometimes they change their mind. They go back. Come on, tyrant. Stay alert. I'm gonna go check where he is. Okay, he's coming. Careful. He's coming. He's walking this way. Okay, ready. Okay, he's walking. That's good. Oh, what?
He just left.
No, he just took off. What, is he scared from us? Is he scared of us? He just left the room. Don't worry. If we hang out here, he should come back.
Yeah, when I played it offline too. You have to really lure them.
Hold on. That's fine.
Hey,
let me go get him back.
I'm out of here.
I'm gonna get him back. No, stay there. I'm gonna bring him back. Walk this way. Testing passage A. Where is he? Where are you, sucker? Okay, he is here. Whoa! Come over here. He was just right there in front of the door. The tyrant was like, I know what you're gonna do. I'm out of here.
He took one look at us and was like, nope.
Come on, tyrant. Come on, Mr. Tyrant.
Music.
No music, eh? We try again. He's still here. Come on, tyrant. Come get me. He's just there, right behind the door. No, I'm not gonna shoot him. It's a waste of ammo. There's no point in shooting him. Come on, tyrant. Usually it works out so smoothly. Come on, tyrant. Come on. This is so lame.
I could lure him if you want. I think maybe.
Let me try one more time.
Mark is a bigger guy. He's got more.
Let me try to trigger him a little more. Let me try.
I was gonna say more to eat, but the tyrant doesn't eat.
Let me trigger him. Come on, come on,
zombies.
Come on. Oh, I tried to zap him on this side, but it didn't work. Okay, come on, come get me. Come on, come get me. Come get me. Okay, maybe he follows me now. I just ran around a little bit. And he hit me actually once. Come on. If he doesn't follow me now, you give it a go. He's not coming. What the heck? Okay, you want to try something different? Come over here. Come with me. Come with me.
All right.
This way. Come over here. Let's try something. He's over there. There's another sparking thingy over there. We can try it over there. Do you want to sit by the switch, or would you like me to sit by the switch?
You sit by the switch.
Okay.
I'll try to.
Okay. Whoa!
Oh, whoa. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna go sit by the switch. All right. I haven't made it yet. All right. I'm there. I'm on the S right now. One, two. Got him! Okay, I'm gonna pick it up. Myself. I'm gonna pick it up. Let's go. Follow me. This way. Oh yeah, baby. We did it.
Cindy hopefully is not dead and has...
I wonder. Okay, follow me this way.
And you have T blood.
I got the first ingredient. Follow me this way. Now we're gonna go to the elevator.
Okay.
We're gonna go to the 3rd floor and place the ingredient in the machine. The first ingredient. Can you imagine if we run into Cindy and she's placing the other ingredient? Let's see.
If she has it all solved already.
No, I don't think so. The ingredient she's after takes a really long time.
Spencer2236 says, that tyrant lets out reminds me of King K. Rool from Donkey Kong Country.
I have no idea who he is. I have no idea.
I haven't played
Donkey Kong Country. I know it's a sin. 3rd floor. Alright, let's go place the ingredient real quick.
Someone said there's a patch for this game that you can eliminate load times.
Really? Interesting.
Random comment. I don't know. I tried to look at it and I couldn't find it.
I'll research that. I'm gonna place the first ingredient here. First ingredient. I put the first one. Alright, let's go after the second one. Now, when we were with Cindy, which floor did we go to with the elevator? I forgot. Was it B2F or B3F? I forgot. I don't need any mods, Red. I'm actually unmodding people that I haven't seen in ages. And I'm thinking of starting fresh, you know? Starting the whole let's go B4F. I think when the new year starts, I think I'm gonna unmod everybody, and then I'll just mod. Yeah, this is the right way. Just need to think.
I thought about doing the same thing, just because it's just a new year. It's like
yeah, I was thinking of doing that.
Fresh.
So this way? Yeah, I know this area. I know. I think. Careful of the spiders now.
I don't remember this part. I'm poisoned. I can feel it.
Just make it out of here, and then we'll be fine. If you make it through here, we'll be fine.
Isn't this where the The bee part is? The bees?
Yes. Well, it's not here yet, but we're gonna be there soon. Just make it out of there, fine. And there's a blue herb here. You can have it.
Blue herb.
We're gonna be just fine. I don't need this card anymore. Do I? No, I don't. Take the blue herb if you're poisoned. No, you're not poisoned actually. Now over here, if you want, there's a machine gun over here. If you want it, you can have it.
Never knew I could get on this thing. Huh.
You see, I teach you stuff. And that way, I think you give opportunities for everyone, you know, to be a mod every now and then. Because at the moment I have a few mods that don't even show up on my streams anymore, rarely, you know, and then I have other people who show up every single time and they're not mods. Like, that's not fair, you know? Okay, let's go through over here. Over here it's fine if you go through, if we go through the train, it's safer, because there's bees outside. They're hard to kill. And here's just a zombie or two. Alright, so watch out, there's a zombie, I hear. Okay. There's the first aid spray, if you want it, you can have it. And I think there should be another machine gun here somewhere. Oh, there it is.
I don't have any room.
I want to make my horror streams... I want to make the horror streams a thing on my channel. I bought a bunch of horror games that I've never played, and I want to do the face scan thing where I go, ah! And I don't act. I don't. It's just a pure reaction. Watch out. Alright. People seem to enjoy me eating chili. What's this? Oh, assault rifle magazine. I'll take that. Thank you very much. Alright, we're gonna be fine, I think.
Limited space, yeah.
Yeah, even me. We'll see. Let's go. Now, we have to... I don't think we can open this, right? No. So we go through here, and there's a door right opposite the exit, okay? So just head straight for the door, because there's gonna be a bee. There's gonna be a bee. Yeah, everybody has a life, I understand, Red, so I don't expect everybody to be quickly, because these guys can poison you. So T-shaped passageway. This can get a bit confusing, but so there's first aid sprays over there. Alright, I need to go through where the zombie's coming from. Over here. Over here, over here. This way.
Why?
Oh man, I remember this. This is gonna get tough. A bit stressful, but we're gonna do it. It's still easier than getting the other ingredient, than dealing with
Bust open that door, I think.
Okay, bees, go away, bee. Oh! Climb, 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 climb. I really don't want to die. Go, go, go. Go after Mark. Go after Mark.
But I don't know if it's doing anything.
Start crossing. No, no, start crossing. Don't worry. If you get attacked, just make sure that if you fall, just climb back up. Because if you get it the second time, I can't even aim at the bee. I'm fine.
You are so
whoa,
good.
Whoa,
no.
Whoa, watch out, watch out. Climb back up. Make sure you climb back up.
Oh, poison.
Wow. Am I poisoned?
I'm poisoned.
I'm on caution. I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine. Alright, I'm gonna go through. Just go through the hole now. Also, Vloggy, hatch an egg in ultra space and you'll get a nice surprise from it. Okay, yeah, don't spoil it though. I still haven't finished the game. I'm still at the beginning of the game. Because the thing is, I don't play it unless I stream it. And I haven't been able to stream recently, so I'm really behind on the game. Ah! Help me!
Bro, so I was trying to pick up an herb.
Alright, I'm gonna push this real quick. Quickly. Okay, quickly. Go through here. Yeah, I'm still very behind on the game. How many Cajonas have I defeated? Like 1 or 2? I don't know. Now there's a puzzle here. I call this the RE3 puzzle. Have you seen this puzzle before?
Oh yeah.
I don't know how it's done, so I'm just gonna randomly, blindly just start pushing buttons. Whoa! Power has been supplied. Who did this? Did you just do that or did I do that?
Sorry, I just did it.
Oh, okay. Wow, that was good.
2 heads better than 1.
Wow. Have you memorized it or are you looking at a cheat sheet?
No, I just...
That was impressive. I'm impressed.
I got a...
Alright, I'm gonna unlock this door now. Basically what we did, we just supplied the power. So now we need to go through here.
Or...
Hey! Toby! Even Toby's always on my streams.
Okay.
Mr. Bork. Alright, so we go this way now. And we go... Is it this way? Watch out, there's a zombie. Just go up the ladder now. Go up the ladder.
Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Okay.
Up the ladder. Oh, my gun is empty! Oh, I cannot get up. I cannot get a good angle.
Go.
Alright. Come up. Can you make it? Yeah, I know you lurk, Toby, and that's fine. I am okay with lurkers.
Could you imagine if everyone lurked? Oh my god, we'd have like hundreds of views or something.
I actually respect lurkers a lot, because sometimes even I feel like lurking. Now then, hold on, I need to think where to go next. Oh, this way. The first 2 ingredients of the daylight is very easy to obtain, and I like to handle them myself. Well, I mean, not very easy, but I'm not gonna take it. Now, what we need to do is, as soon as we go through here, through this door, alright, we need to start running because there's bees, and we need to head to the elevator, alright? You can just follow me, really. Just keep running. We need to head to the elevator in the middle. Oh, I wish I picked up the bug spray. I wish I picked up the bug spray. Okay, just run.
That's the side. I didn't pick it up.
We're gonna go through the elevator. There's an elevator in the middle.
Yeah, bees!
Bees! Okay, I opened the door. Can you make it inside?
Zigzag.
Can you make it? Come on.
Oh my god, I'm almost there. Oh no, I thought I was almost there.
Oh, I see you. Come on, just tap on the door so it opens the door for you. There you go. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Okay. Now the thing is this, we just have to run. Waste some time and run. Run until we get up. Just run. Zigzag. Oh, man. Oh! Please, no poison. Please, no poison. Go after Mark. I'm gonna kick the butts. Once I kick the crow in this game. Oh, twice. I'm poisoned. But we're gonna be okay. There's poison heal as soon as you get up here. So we're gonna be okay. Please. I prefer doing the first 2 ingredients rather than the third one. The third one's really hard to obtain. I hope Cindy got it. I hope Cindy didn't die.
Really on top of it. I was like,
wow, you didn't get hit once, did you? Okay, we made it.
No.
Okay, I don't think you got hit. All right, now what we need to do is go up the stairs. We're gonna find a set of stairs. I'll take care of the. I'll take care of the
like the walls.
Okay,
like
I obtained the second ingredient. I got it. So
okay,
no need to pick it up yourself. Keep running. As soon as you find the stairs, keep going up the stairs, and there should be a door as soon as. Oh, there you are. I see you. I'm gonna go get the blue herb real quick. You take the door.
Sure, I like my haunting note again, but.
Ah! I might not die. I'm at 46. As far as I know. Oh crap! No! Big boo!
Where are you?
I think my efforts were in vain. Or not, I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I think my effort was in vain! We'll see. We're gonna find out as soon as I get out of here. We'll see. I just healed myself, and I think I got poisoned again. Let's see. No, but I need a healing. Can I pick up this spray real quick? Because I'm on danger, I think. Well, red's caution. Alright, I got the second ingredient though, so we're good. Oh, what's this?
Ingredient.
Oh, there's an autographed magazine. You can have it.
Cindy.
Oh, Cindy's here. And yes, she's got this. She got the second ingredient. Let's go.
Okay, we gotta go. Yeah.
Please, here.
Let's go. She got the third ingredient, so we're good. Nice.
It's like a timed. It'll deplete.
Not hers. What she has is sealed, so it's not gonna deplete.
Oh, it's sealed. Okay.
Yeah. So we go through here. I'm actually gonna quit my machine gun now. She knows where we need to go for sure. Alright, we got all the ingredients. She's in for a surprise as soon as she gets to the third floor. She's gonna see the first ingredient already.
Like the
taken care of.
Thing with this game, and like the person just comes out of nowhere, and it's like, oh hey.
This way. I think she's taking the long way around.
Where is she going? Cause
follow me. We need to go to the third floor. Where we placed the... Ah, she's here, okay. Yeah, she knows where we need to go.
Yes, you're here too?
Let's go.
Ugh, I'm so hungry.
You're hungry?
Oh.
Alright, the third floor. Third
It's like,
floor.
this is too much cardio for Mark. What floor? What floor?
Third floor. We're gonna place all the ingredients, and I think this is the only scenario in the whole Outbreak series that you actually get to heal your virus. You're gonna heal. We're gonna heal, and we're not gonna have a problem anymore. Like, we're not gonna have to worry about percentages.
In games.
All right, let's get out of here. Hey, King Tim, welcome. How are you, King Tim? Nice to see you. How have you been? Alright, so you see...
Mark
Cindy,
is so slow, I'm like
Cindy
by myself.
Cindy just got a surprise. She just found out that we already got the first ingredient and the third ingredient.
Oh, these chumps are competent. Oh.
They got two of the ingredient. Hold on, she needs to move. I need to be right in front of the thing. Hold on, I need to be right in front of it. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. We got the third, and we're making the daylight through.
Thank you.
We each take daylight. Like, don't.
Yeah, it keeps producing one every couple of minutes, so we're gonna be okay. If we take one, all of us have to take one, and we need to be carrying an extra one as well for the tyrant. We shoot the tyrant with it, and he is history. Your ace. I'm sure you mean. I'm sorry to hear, King. All right, so the power went out. Power went out, and now this door has unlocked over here. Somebody just switched off the main powers, and the machine stopped producing. No. Somebody turned off the lights, and the person responsible is over here.
Cool stuff here.
Hold on, let's go here, because over here there's some stuff.
There's hunters, yeah.
Oh, nice! Look at this.
Cool item here, the UBCS beret cap.
Kevin, somebody's calling me. What?
Kevin, this is it.
She's giving me something. Hold on, what's this? I don't need them, but fine, thank you.
Like, I'll take them for you, so you shut up. No.
I got a grenade launcher. You seem to be okay. Let's go. Let's go. I still say they need their mastered outbreak. I say I don't care really. I know it's very selfish to say that, but oh, it's Alfred Wesker.
Apologies for this place being so hectic. I have been monitoring your progress from here. I am grateful for your assistance. Daylight is it. The only resource against the T-virus. I cannot give it over to Umbrella. They're the ones responsible for the catastrophe which is
This is what I don't understand. He says umbrella and he is wearing an umbrella shirt.
That entire T project was a total disaster. Brute force should not be the only criterion for a weapon. It must also be beautiful, unique, and godlike. You will also assist me. You're going to play with my ultimate creation.
This is good.
Farewell.
This is really graphic.
Graphic for, well, I guess, but...
Almost time.
I don't get it. Why did he kill him? I don't get it. Now we need to run like crazy. You know where we need to go now? We need to go outside the courtyard where we were before. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the power back on real quick. Bear with me. Bear with me. Alright.
Wait, we need to get the daylight.
Yes, I reactivated it just now. And I think she just opened the door as well. Did she just open the door? You've released the lock. Awesome. Let's go back to the daylight room. Yes, we need to collect at least 4. 1 for each person. And 1 for the tyrant.
Nearing completion of the game.
Yeah. Thanks to, well, I mean, thanks to both, all of us. We all did a great job, actually. But Cindy managed to do the 3rd ingredient on her own. It's boss. I cannot, well, I can, but it's hard. So we need to wait here for the system to generate. It will beep eventually. Make beep, and somebody has to take one. I'm at 51%, so I can wait. I don't have to go first.
I'm at 48.
Okay, grab the first one. And you can just use it.
Daylight, antitoxin, something, okay.
Yeah, use it and your vials will disappear. Are you healed?
Whoever's next.
I'm gonna grab the second one. Daylight obtained. Used. Alright. Now Cindy needs to get one.
Seem... Okay, there we go. Saved us like 20 minutes.
Yes.
Cindy!
Good!
Take one, come on!
We have to go!
Yeah, take one!
Cindy!
Did she take one? You took
She
another
didn't
one?
take it. She wanted me to take it, I guess.
I don't know. If she's not gonna grab it, let's go. Alright, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, there's a shortcut from here, actually. There's a shortcut, there's a shortcut. Let's go this way.
The extra one, Vloggy.
What? Alright, let's go back here. There's a shortcut.
Come on!
Because this place is gonna blow. We got 5 minutes to get out of here, which is plenty of time.
I'll just, so...
This way. Okay, Cindy knows what she's doing. Do I need to heal? I'm gonna grab it.
Left.
Let's go. I think if it wasn't for Cindy, we wouldn't have been able to finish this. The 3rd ingredient is a nightmare to get.
I forgot exactly what you have to do for that.
It's complicated. You get this key, open this door, from this door you get another key, and you got to do the other side. It's so complicated, and the thing is, you constantly have hunters chasing you. Why is she under the bed? You see her under the couch. Peekaboo! Let's get out of here. I think she just grabbed some ammunition or something from under there. Alright, so. This way.
We go down the secret passage, right?
Trying to think the quickest way.
Takes
now.
you out.
Let's just follow Cindy. I think Cindy knows the shortcuts now. Alright, let's just follow Cindy.
final battle.
You grabbed an extra daylight, right? Yes, you did. Okay, good.
There he is.
Oh, there's the tyrant. Okay, we need to get past him. He's still here. Oh, wow. He got both of you. And now he got me. Let's get out of here. Let's go. Oh, the last one. Let's go.
Extra, I guess I gotta take him down.
You're gonna have to. You're gonna have to deal the final blow. Because you got the daylight serum now.
God, Cindy's gonna like.
Yeah, Cindy's gonna zap him. I'm not gonna waste time. Let's go. Or maybe she was gonna zap us. Alright, this way. Yeah, so we're outside now.
Like a different ending if you had a.
Alright, so
Can't remember. I can't remember.
We have 3 minutes to kill now.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So much. Thank you so much.
Thanks. Thank you. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks.
I'm gonna dance.
Oh.
You can dance for another 2.5 minutes. Disco, disco, good, good. We didn't get to see the bridge because we avoided the shark area.
Yeah, you get to see the city in the background.
Yeah,
It's
the
really
sharks.
cool.
Yeah, the shark area. We're not gonna get to see it, but it's tough to do the sharks. Oh, there's the bridge actually. Look, the bridge. It's over here. Look, beautiful bridge. That's a nice wallpaper right there. There you go. We have it. We have Outbreak Remastered. You can say it looks better than the PS2 version, so it's remastered, and it's online. I don't care if they make one or not now. And if they do, it becomes mainstream, like this. It's not mainstream, you know? There's a small community that plays the game. I like that.
There's the there were 10 other, I think it's 10 other scenarios that were worked on. Either they're completed or just they were worked on in some way that never came to be. File 3. You know?
Oh, really?
Yes,
yeah, I'd rather they make a File 3, a brand new game, than just remastering the old ones. You heard about that Biohazard game they were working on called Biohazard Dash? It was going to be based on the first mansion again after the explosion. And vegetation took over the whole area and you get to re-explore new areas that you haven't before. Then we're going to do the whole zombies, half plants, half zombies. But the idea was scrapped. Oh.
And there was gonna be like secret areas of the Spencer Mansion that you didn't know of. That
Exactly,
you could go through.
exactly. But they never finished. They never went through with the game. I love this part.
What was that?
So yeah, there's a scenario Outbreak File 2 based on this concept.
Flashback, yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Scenarios, actually.
Is anyone down there?
You get to see zombie plants.
We're here to get you out.
Or plant zombies.
Somewhere close. There's a courtyard in that direction. Go there. We don't have much time. Hurry.
Right.
Start running. There's gonna be bees now here. They just spawn.
No, I'm not by the door.
Zigzag, zigzag, zigzag.
Zigzag. To lose weight.
Oh, he got me. Amazing, right in front of the door. I hope I didn't get poisoned, I wonder.
Oh.
Did I get poisoned? Let's see. Knowing my luck, I did. I did. Alright, if you find the blue herb, help me please.
Help me please. Oh wait, there's some grenade ammo. Do you need it?
I don't know. I need some blue herb now, because my time is limited now.
This is brutal. Well, the wait, yeah, the wait was brutal. Or the boss battle can be brutal.
What is this?
I have an epic playthrough from a couple months ago doing this by myself. It was so epic. I threw it.
Okay. I think
okay.
I think she triggered the boss.
Please, okay.
Yeah. He lost an arm. This is why he reminds me of the Bandersnatch now, because he's got one arm.
I never thought about that.
Look. One arm and the other one compensates kind of, because it's very strong.
Stretches, doesn't it stretch out?
Yeah, the Bandersnatch, yes. Alright.
Wow. Yeah, see how far his arms went?
Yeah, I see. Bandersnatch. Bandersnatch 2.0. Ooh, this is not your time to shine with that gun. At least not yet.
You just wasted it.
What?
The assault rifle already. It only had 30 shots. Oh wait, there might be assault ammo here.
Did I get him? No, I didn't.
I reloaded the assault rifle.
Wow, he's teleporting from one side to the other. It's lagging for me right now, huh?
Oh, he meant Vloggy. You meant the daylight. Okay.
No, don't use the daylight for now. You can't. You need to find a special gun.
Yeah, it's in the next area.
Exactly.
It's not working.
Alright. We got him. Don't worry. We got him. He's limping.
Cindy got a rocket launcher. Holy crap.
What the heck? Okay, she knows how to play the game. Wow, for me he's teleporting all over the place.
Yeah, he's doing that thing.
He's teleporting all over the place for me. Oh, my gun is empty. Fantastic. Okay, I'm done. It's lagging for me. Hang on, I still have the other handgun. This is supposed to be easy. Why is it taking so long? Whoa.
It's not going down.
Alright, we got him.
Okay.
I think it was my shot. Not trying to brag or anything, but that was me. Cindy couldn't take him down with the rocket launcher, and we with my tiny pistol. I love how misleading this part is.
Here. Always with its fake outs.
And everybody's like, is it GG? Well done. No, I don't know why they decided to do that. Now, you need to find that gun.
It's by the
I think it's by the...
tractor.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. Some sort of vehicle or something. I don't remember what it was, but it's next to a vehicle for sure. You just need to grab the gun, combine the thing. Alright. Don't miss. Oh! I think I see the gun. It's over here. It's on the...
He's after me, I swear. He is after me.
Of course he is. You got the weapon.
He's after me. Did you know this?
No, I didn't. No. Alright, let me see if I can hold him off. Alright, he's not after you anymore.
Should I shoot it now?
Yes, just...
I gotta get close.
Yeah, make sure you don't miss. You miss, we're done. You missed!
Forward.
You missed, did you?
Up forward. Be done, don't worry, we're okay. Okay.
Hold on.
That's bull. He totally teleported.
Yeah.
I should have waited though to see what it... Dude, I don't have that on me anymore.
Alright, let's see. Because he's teleporting all over the place. I missed.
Okay.
Crap, I keep missing. Ugh.
He hates me.
He's just standing there. I don't know if you guys are saying the same thing, but he's just standing there for me. I think he's just lagging.
Stop jumping on me.
Alright, how many rounds do I have left? I have another 3. Do this. I got some. Run. Don't smash me. Crap. Did I get him? It's hard to tell when it's lagging. Alright. My 3 shots are up. That's it. I'm out of ammo. It's all on you guys.
I've got a lot of handgun ammo, so...
Okay. You get him, boy. You get him, son. What's this? Handgun rounds not good enough for my gun.
I'm so mad.
I thought there was supposed to be another rocket launcher here somewhere. I could be wrong. I thought there was another rocket launcher here. Oh, I'm wrong, but I think I'm wrong. What's this? Is this empty? Yeah, it's empty. It's just empty guns everywhere. Alright, the only weapon I have left. This pipe. I'm gonna get him with the pipe. Oh my god. Oh! That swipe. Uh-oh. No! Okay, be careful. No, I can't even hit him. No.
Ouch.
The pipe is short range. I need to get close. Oh, come on, seriously? Okay, yeah. I need to be careful. I'm in danger.
Right here. Yeah, get off my back.
I need to be careful. I don't want to die. Oh, dude! I'm done. I'm danger.
Come, he's not dying. Die.
Oh man, I can't believe we're not gonna do this. I'm not gonna do this.
Sorry, I wish that... Crap. He keeps coming after me. Oh my god. Get off of me. Bit of health, so
if I faint on the floor, please pick me up, because I don't know what's gonna happen. Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. Help me! Uh-oh, uh-oh, uh-oh. It's getting close to me. Just die! Dang it! What about this gate over here? Wait, what? Oh, she's helping me up, thank you. But that doesn't make much.
Wait for a minute.
I only have a few bullets left, I think. And there's no health left, is there?
She's giving me something. What is she giving me?
Kevin!
What are you giving me?
Oh, die. Die.
Oh, nice. She gave me an herb. She gave me a mixed herb. That's nice. Awesome. I'm back in business. Well, back in business, I mean. Alright. She saved my life. So this door is locked over here. There's more rounds here. I don't know if they're compatible with your gun. There's a couple of rounds here on the floor.
Yeah.
They're not compatible with my gun, so I'm useless right now. Totally useless. You got him!
GG.
He's smoking hot.
Holy crap.
Wow, that took forever. I was worried. GG. I love this music. Oh, I love this. This is what I was talking about. Look at this. Better than the RE3 one.
Comes to an end in the worst possible way. I should congratulate myself for making it out alive, but I don't feel like doing that. I've lost too much, and any trace of what once was has been obliterated. I've succumbed to weakness and regret.
Thank you, Red. I love this song. I love this music. It's not done. It's like Marvel. It's like the Marvel movies. There's another scene after this.
Yeah, that's true.
And it's really interesting. It's Capcom had the option to open the story again in Raccoon City if they wanted. They left it very open-ended, but they didn't do anything about it. I don't know why.
Typical of Resident Evil, they just kind of drop storylines all the time. Yeah. Unfortunately.
Which one are you talking about, Red? Do you mean the one that she goes, "What the f?" Is that one? Is that the one? So yeah, I like that. They left the story in Raccoon City open-ended. Oh yeah, that one, Red. Yes, that's right. That was a complete waste of time. Yes, it's true. Wow, now I'm getting hungry.
Yeah.
What time is it over there? Midnight? No.
55 p.m., almost 10 p.m.
It's 4 a.m. here. Yeah, Red is 1 hour behind. It's 3 a.m. over there. I think I like this game more than I like RE3, actually. I think I do. Vloggy, get some sleep. Yeah, I'm done now. Just gonna watch the last cutscene and I'm gonna call it.
You know, Hellfire, the hotel.
Yeah?
It's like my least favorite one.
My least favorite one is the hospital one. That is my least favorite one. Hellfire. The only reason why I never completed Hellfire online is because of this bug. And because of that, really. I never gave it a fair shot. I never tried it online without doing the ad-lib so it doesn't crash.
I don't know why Flashback is one of my favorites. I don't know.
I love Flashback, but I'm completely lost in that game. Last time I played it, when was it? I played it with Cheer. I didn't stream it. I just played it with Cheer, and we found a couple of guys. It was me, Cheer, and 2 other guys. We don't know. They just joined our game, and they just carried us the whole way. We have no idea what they did. Nothing. We just follow them around, and we beat the game, and we have no idea how.
You know, Wild Things, I'm not really wild about, honestly, myself. Actually, Wild Things.
I like Wild Things, actually. It's kind of straightforward. It's a very straightforward scenario, in my opinion.
Like,
I think.
I mean, it's an interesting thing to see the zoo and see all these more exotic animals get infected, but a little contrived, a little, like, I don't know.
I liked the police station, obviously, the police station scenario. The only thing that ruined the experience for me is the freaking nerve gas every single time.
I knew you were gonna say that. Yep.
It was like, alright, so what? The police station was equipped with the nerve gas, and whoever actually, you know, it actually helped spread the virus. Come on.
There is a file. I was just playing it the other day. There's a file that explains it, and Chief Brian Irons put it in to suppress like the riots. He said he was saying, "Oh, the riots that are going on." So I guess
I don't know.
Yeah, because here you are, you're back in the RPD, you know, years later, and you want to like sit in the room and just like soak it in, but you can't because the nerve gas comes in.
Exactly. It's kind of like the Leechman thing, you know. You want to be in a room, you want to look around, pick up some stuff, do a puzzle, maybe tell you the other guy which room you're in. You know, you can't because the Leechman comes in, and the same thing happens with the nerve gas. You know, you can't really enjoy a room, basically. It's annoying. Did you notice that Alison Court's name just came up during the credits? Did you notice?
Yeah, she.
And there it is. It's there again. Look, voice directors, Alison Court.
Voice director.
And she doesn't even.
Who's the one? She did an interview recently, and she talked about Outbreak, and she said scenarios basically between File 1 and File 2. She said they had drawn up, or originally the idea was to have 40 scenarios together.
Wow.
What happened? It got cut down to 20. So they worked on 10 additional ones that we haven't seen.
Interesting.
Yeah, that's what she had said.
Red just said that Ryan Reynolds will be playing Pikachu in the upcoming Pokemon live-action movie.
So
Outbreak is an unfinished game, basically.
Have you seen the stuff on File 3? There is some stuff out there.
Wow, I'll look it up. I had no idea.
Stuff. William Birkin was going to be in it in some capacity. There's a character.
That makes sense. It makes sense that it would have been there. Now, check out this scene. I don't know if you remember this scene, but it's awesome. I love it.
Yeah.
Target will soon be in visual range. Hurry up. You only have 15 minutes left to get out of there. Roger.
Here are today's results. It's been 6 months, but the number's still the same. There's no way people could sustain life there.
Not humans, no.
Sir, there's a call for you from the head office.
Put it through.
We'll start at noon, as scheduled. Is everything ready?
Yes. We'll be dropping 2 for each, beginning with sample T4. The rest will follow at 15-minute intervals.
This is so awesome. They could have expanded on what was going on here.
Yeah, that's a really cool scene.
They could have expanded so much on this. They could have made an entirely new game over here. Like, I don't know, you go explore the areas again, you know, the destroyed areas, and they discover that the virus still survived. You know, there was so much potential. Oh, we got rank C, thanks to... What was her name? Alpha. Cindy, whatever.
Yeah, we're heading out too, so...
Yeah, that's GG. I'm gonna save, because we ranked up some good points today.
We need to stick around Yasso's thing, so... Alright.
GG. Alright, I'm gonna get something to eat now. I'm hungry. It's 4 AM. I shouldn't be eating at this hour, but whatever. I'm gonna make myself a coffee.
Hungry, you got it.
I'm gonna have some biscuits and then I'll sleep.
It's been awesome.
Thanks so much for playing with
So
me.
much
Thank
fun.
you. Thank you everyone in chat that hung out. And thank you
as well. Thank you for participating in the scenario there.
It was fun. It was fun. Thanks so much.
We'll have to do File 2 sometime.
Yeah, definitely. Next up is File 2 for sure. Definitely. What did he say? I used daylight, by the way, before you two did. Oh, did you see that? Did you see that? How do I chat? I don't even know. Do you see that? He just typed. I used daylight, by the way. Lol. Oh man, that was funny. I don't even know how to chat. Exit. Speaker list. I don't even know how to do this.
Before it was like, after the Outbreak games, completely dropped off, and RE4 just completely...
I don't know how to chat. He's saying stuff. Did you see that?
I don't see.
He says I used daylight, by the way, before you guys did. You two did. Lol. I don't know how to chat. I'm trying to find... It says speaker list. Search for you. Speaker list.
Oh, in the... Oh, I see it now. I see it now.
Yeah. I don't know how to chat, though.
Did.
I want to chat. Server select, keyboard help, control help. I don't know how to do this.
Oh, here it is. Chat.
Chat. There we go. What? Where's the keyboard?
Keyboard. Oh, you have to hit the...
Oh, I got it. Okay, I got it. Yes, I got it.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay. Lol. I'm just gonna type a lol.
Can't use my real keyboard.
There we go. I'm just gonna say GG. Have a good night. No, hold on before you go. I want to tell you that you're on YouTube. No. I hope he's still there. Oh, crap.
Said love Cindy. Okay.
Your space. How do you space? I don't know how to space.
My screen name. It's too long.
Whitey. You're on YouTube.
Evil. Ace.
Maybe he'll join the stream next time. Vloggy. I hope it fits.
This is so archaic.
We're making friends.
Talk about the like early 2000s here.
If he's still there. I don't know if he's still there. Did he leave the room? How do you know? Member data. Oh, he is. Resident Evil Talk. That's you. Member data. Is he still there? I don't know. You can never tell if he left the room or not, though, eh? I don't know. I don't know if you saw it. I don't know if you can tell if member data. Member data, chat, lol. That's you. Okay. Where is he? I don't know. I don't know how it works. View member data. It doesn't say if he's still in the room or not. I don't think he is. I think it's just you and me, because at the top right it just says 2 players.
Alright, I'm gonna exit, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, okay, yes, he exited and it's 1 piece, so I don't know if he saw us. He saw that, I don't know. Anyway, GG. Thanks so much for hanging out, everyone in chat, and thank you for playing with me. We'll do it again. We'll do it again soon, for sure. It was fun. So, have a good one.
Alright, have a good one, guys.
Bye, have a great time.